Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Wait, what's going on here? There's something that's blocking me from moving this thing. I don't know. What is it? I'm about to find out, though. Okay, take this off. Bring this over here. Okay, there we go. Better. Good afternoon, Tief. Good afternoon. Ragashanti live on the TikTok. You're seeing bless up on yourself. All TamFamers, big up all subscribers to this channel. Big up on yourself. I'm name Ragashanti. My mama last spit name is Stir Wash Belly. Oh, I go on in the yo, as me coming on. The first thing me say whatever squeaky yellow palm chumpy. Wagwan, my brother. Yo, squeaky yellow chumpy. Wagwan, my brother. When you say squeaky, you have to heal up your general. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Let me see what. Okay. Dilly dally back in the place. Dilly dally boy, for you put me in a pricky what day you did a hide, you know? Yeah. All right, but see you forward. You big up yourself, you know, dilly dally. Everything is everything. Baby, let me say, Raga, I love your shirt. Yeah, but you know, see my buy it a little bit too big, so. We're going to change it, you know, get that. Yeah, that can be too roomy, you know. Watcha! Then I want to love your shirts. No, I don't want to mix me up in that PNP, in that labor right and PNP pricky there, you know. Oh, wanna stop it. Wanna stop it. Ellie, from the way you're coming on the chat, my sister, you know, beard. You have a little time, go beard. Go beard and then come back. Right, you have a good time to get one quick shower and thing. Go beard and come back because from the way you post, my sister, you know, beard, you know. So go hold a quick beard and come. You know what them quick fresh there and thing and thing. Adasa. We didn't even need the shirt roomy. Well, yeah, I'm not really into, you know, the tights up, you know. Back in the day when I work out and sit, it was all about some, you know, tight clothes, you know. Squeaky, Raga, my birthday today. Raga, my birthday today. She's 65 today. Happy birthday to her. And I think you meant to say, Raga, my mother's birthday is today. That you didn't mean to say Squeaky? Because you're right. Raga, my birthday today. She's 65 today. Happy birthday to her in West Palm Beach in Florida. Is it your mother, Squeaky, or your woman? Are your woman and say her birthday today and she has 65? Ain't nothing wrong with that, Squeaky. And the older woman, them do it, you know. Baby lips, I don't want you to show up nothing. People big up on yourself. Monday evening and we're there and thing, you know, Ragashanti live and thing. Big up all of my subscribers and thing. Yo! All right, hold on. I'm not going to say it because I'm not going to think I sell it, all right? People, the subs only show. All who did in the subscriber only show. On a post and tell me if it did nice. Me not going to tell anyone if I say, on a post and tell me if it did nice. If the subscriber only show up on Friday, we had a show on Friday, subscribers only. On a post and tell me if the show did nice. Let me see one. Christina said, nice. Squeaky said, it nice, your F. Kalia said, it nice. Chumpy said, nice. Sasha pulled it there. She was there because Sasha. J-Berg in the building. Big up yourself in a J-Berg. J-Berg, you're a celebrity now, you know. Know that. Tandy sweet. Oh, you ever say it nice and you never, you know. But Tandy, you're not easy. Eh? Once she said she wake up and join too late and whatever, always asleep. All sleeper, man, you see? You know, Dr. Mac D said she like it, no restriction, exactly. That is what goes on in the sub-live only shows. No restriction and thing. And if we hear nothing yet, wait till we start putting the outer order replay them in it, you know? Yo, now go down, man. Yeah. Delroy said, I didn't get in. Well, it was subscribers, you know. So you have to subscribe. But me just say it did nice, you know, and you know, look a free up go on in there, you know, and thing. So what going on in a Monday? What's going on? Let me just check in with you. Everything good? Kimberly, you're referring to me as Big Daddy. Mine, you know. Kimberly, I call me Big Daddy. And take down that something. Sir, you just want to show off the cup, not true. Nah, man, I first me have the cup, yeah. Well, certified, you going like you just watch a show and whatever. Look how long you watch a show. Look for when me I work with a big old cup, yeah. And me make it, you know, and go and place, yeah. Carry my kids, them go and place from Long Island. You know, something I'll get for love Long Island. Honestly, you know, if anybody know any good deal in a Long Island where like a 4-bedroom house, but the area I want to go there and live there a little bit first and see if I something I want. So remember I know what a 4-bedroom house where I rent in a Long Island, let me know. All right? Because I get for like Long Island, you know? I get for like Long Island. But I took my kids out there some time ago. It's a good one, probably a couple, 2-3 years ago. And it was this place, you know, where you couldn't make these things, you know? And I made this, right? Karen Robino, Raga, your shirt reminds me of back in the day, basic school uniform. Yeah, I know say Janice a pass our place. What's with the tablecloth shirt today, Raga? Me know, hey, Jamaican, you know, anything looking plaid, you know, them always have a pass them remarks. Look on Janice. Look on Janice I talk about my shirt and whatever. And I bet you say when she put on fair clothes, a beer pin up the pan her, don't? Eh? I bet you a beer pin up the pan your Janice. Eh? Janice, look on the edge of your clothes right now if you're not dirty. The edge, if you have on a dress or a skirt or a jean, look on the edge. Just look on the edge and I bet you it's dirty. Janice, I bet you it's a dirty plate in your sink. I bet you dirty plate in your sink, Janice. Janice, your curtain of them dirty. Janice, when you're there Jamaica, you used to have a long broom where you clean out the corner, your house and whatever. When last you do that since you're there foreign? Long time down. I'll be a cobweb and spider up in your house. Janice, your window them dirty. When the last time you clean your window, Janice? When last you clean your window, Janice? You're too live when you clean them this morning. Janice, go in your bathroom now and look in your toilet and look under where the water come from. I be a black up there. I be a Jonja up there, Janice. I be a Jonja in your toilet. Look where the water come out. You ever look up underneath where the water come out and then the water come out and thing. You don't even have one of the blue something them there for each amp on the side for cleaning. You don't even have one of the blue something. Janice, I want you come stop with Miss Cherry Wash Belly for where you up on my fender for Janice. What me do you? Janice, what you do? What me do you? And I mean, the woman who obey you when you did that take her man, and I mean, make she obey you make you walk uneven. Janice, why you do it? Eh? And I mean, the woman who obey you make you walk funny because you take her man and you start out, did pop down, and the man left you and go right back to him woman after the first start out. Janice, why you do it? Eh? And I mean, make you don't have the most come back. And I mean, make the man can't remember your address and all these things. Janice, I love you too, Janice. You see that Janice know what is going on right here, no? All right, this is what we do. I'm going to take a risk and joke with that. Because generally, I only joke with people who know what I'm doing. Some people can't take it, you know. No, man, some people can't take it, man. Some people joke with them and them start. J. Berg, I hope you're paying attention. J. Berg, we ramp rough round here. We have the second, but the first motto is laugh, learn, and grow. Right? Laugh, learn, and grow. The second motto is, and J. Berg, you look like you understand Jamaican, you know. So the second motto is, a thick skin and broad back, I do it. A thick skin, you know that, Americans know that. And broad back, similar to thick skin, I do it. That means when Jamaicans say, no, I'm about broad. Anytime you hear Jamaicans say, no, I'm about broad, that means that them not afraid of nothing. Talk what you talk, say what you say, come with what you come with, because them not afraid of nothing of them back broad, them can angle anything thrown at them, right? So a thick skin and broad back I do it. That means your tolerance level for being attacked, for being brush up and bless up and whatever is high. You understand? And that's the thing that, good afternoon, people. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. A wonderful Monday evening too, no? And thing. Well, you see it? At the phone I do it, man. Almost 600 on a day already. And thing. So, all right, all who not follow me, make sure you follow me now. Your shirt remind me of Mama Revival church uniform. When I grew up with a revival mother too, you know. So, you understand. But, one time the Plaid thing did big in Jamaica, you know. No, man, one time Plaid did a run the place in Jamaica, man. One time Plaid did seriously a turn over Jamaica. Plaid was a thing at one point in Jamaica, but Plaid not really run the place again, you know. Plaid and polka that time. So, good afternoon, good evening. Oh, that person then now come on. Yeah, man, who remember Plaid days? One time Plaid, you know, Plaid was the thing. Yeah. One time polka that was the thing. Squeaky said Plaid still aware. Squeaky, looking at the thing. You see, say you alone post that, though. No, well, but Plaid still aware. But Squeaky, Squeaky, you say, Squeaky, your mother birthday today? Squeaky, your mother birthday today? And that's I say, Reggae, I love your banter. Regular thing that with me, man. Okay. All right, people, I sing happy birthday for Squeaky mother and thing and whatever. Who that? Kimberly Angel, just subscribe. Okay, cool. If you're not subscribe over here yet, you better subscribe now because you're going to miss out. And remember, what happened in the sub live, stay in the sub live. The only way you can get the content, you see how I post clips at the regular show them, I post them on it. That not gonna happen with the sub live them. What happening at the sub live, stay in the sub live, right? So, Michelle Love God. Anything for immigration is a following number, yeah? Text me first, all right? Anything for immigration is a following number. 516-500-0210. Somebody put a number there in that chat for you because TikTok not like when you report them something. All right, so me do sing happy birthday for Squeaky mother. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Squeaky mother. Sorry I have to put up with him, but your boy pick me. I know you love him, so go and work with him. Happy birthday to... Here comes the famous Ragashanti Luther Vandross ending. Yo, what about my people left there? What happened? My bad. That was a little bit on the loud side, okay? We're going to have to turn down those things and whatever. Yeah. We have all kind of fun toys here, you know. Hello, Moto. Okay. It's all good. Yeah. All right, me have a good... What am I doing? What, man? Okay, we need to stop. Okay, I'm out. Okay, my bad. Sorry, okay? All right. I'll fix those after. All right, I'll fix those after. I'll fix those after. People, on happy. Make sure you're happy, you know. Even if stress you down in life, remember, you know, nobody can make you happy. Nothing else can make you happy. You make yourself happy, seeing? So you have to make yourself happy regardless of what stress you go through. Yeah, some stress you have to deal with and thing, but remember, be happy. Be happy. It's better to be happy than to be sad. It's cooler to be happy. And when you're happy, you know, life, well, because you're happy, life is more fun, you know? So, all right, make sure you're not happy. And if you're not happy, let's come juggle with Raga, you know? Chances are, sometimes some call come in and them serious and we have to deal with them. But chances are, you're going to laugh when you come over here, okay? Because Raga love to laugh. And Raga love to make people laugh. So when you come over here, probably some laugh are going to go on. But real quickly, I have some friends who I go load up first before we get there. People, today is Family Secret Mix-Up for this week. Family Secret Mix-Up. All right? Family Secret Mix-Up for this week, right? Family Secret Mix-Up. Any secret in your family and whatever and thing we bust out and thing where you can remember, want to find out or whatever and all these things. Or if there's a secret where like, nothing to say it or whatever, you know. Like, you know, bust out yet, come bust it on the show. Tall her, big up yourself. Tall her, me need to talk to you, you know, because you come to party. Because the SDC, we're getting a cabana for the party. Right? And Millie said, me go call you after the show, yeah? Look like we get our next subscriber. Cool. Tall her, will you be at the party? Because we have to get a cabana, because the ANC, them a get a cabana, and them, you know them, you can't. No, man, Sham link me, and she want to link you, so, yeah, man, all right then, cool, we're going to talk to you. Because SDC people, they need to come in, the ANC, them a plan and all kind of sitting. So, watch ya. I want to CBS, no need to talk to you. Watch ya. Remember, whatever CBS, remember say you have a WhatsApp group and all these things. So nobody going like you not have meeting and a plan and all them something there, whatever. But okay, now worry yourself, Tal, or we need for link. Miss Cutie, dog bite, just come over in the SDC and done and whatever. I could get the war start. Watch out, I want to Nakibi. Nakibi, go wash your foot back. Go wash your foot back, Nakibi. Go wash your foot back. Your foot back want wash. Right? Go wash your foot back. And if you need like one of them look a chisel or something, you know, what them use when them a carve out statue and them something there, we can't give you one because your foot back are going to need it. But anyway, Queen Nash, pick up yourself, you know. Oh, you mean? You're Queen Nash, somebody say you're head girl. No, somebody say prefect, and then the person say, no, Queen Nash should be head girl and all these things. Yeah. Oh, by the way, Queen Nash, apparently you you gave subscription to a bunch of people, which we know you did. And a few of them, they were like, yo, you know, they're really thankful for that and thing. So Queen Nash, big up yourself. Navlet, what you mean me need a bib? Need a bib for? What me need bib for? What me need bib for, Navlet? What you at? Navlet, you're SDC, you know, so don't do it. Nobody go like say you want to come straight out the thing, all right? Right? Nobody go like you want to come straight out the thing, Navlet, you're SD. What me need bib for? Navlet, and when you know me I eat, that me need bib. Navlet, I want you alone me, you know. So, I want to take out some of my friend them. Them people, you know, say me have one gangster friend, right? Big woman, you know, but proper gangster, you know. When we say gangster, like a woman when I take no chat from no guy from back in idea and whatever, or proper warrior, you know, man. Me and tell you, beat girl, beat boy and all these things and whatever, you know. Yeah. She not deal with no idiot man or nothing, you know. I one of them woman the way. The joke all the while, me I tell her, I said, me not put up with foolishness with woman, you know. right? Me not put up with foolishness with woman. Me not pet and powder woman certain way. Me not in the physical thing either. I'm not one of those guys, you know. But me just I say me not put up with. But the running joke is as much as me not put up with foolishness with woman. The running joke is me couldn't manage her. I'm a sister, you know. So me I say me and I couldn't because I couldn't manage her. You know them bad girl woman there. Yeah. So we used to that with her, you know. We used. Me not know what goods go get man. Miss Lady. You know yourself now. I'm telling you something, I'm going to scandal you. My friend, what a way you get, man. We cool you down and calm you down. People, me shock when me I chat to the woman and she say, I don't know, he just makes me feel like a little girl. People, whenever I hear a woman say a man makes you feel like a little girl, you know, she gone, you know, she gone, you know. Anytime you hear a woman say, there's this whole thing, you know, where women is like, when them round a man, and the man, and them feel secure and safe around the man, and they allow themselves to be vulnerable with the man, because them know he's a strong man, them there, them know, you know, them just weak to that man there and whatever, and them just allow them soft side to come out and them feminine girly side to come out and things like that and whatever, you know. So I guess I feel a version of that. Yeah, he my friend, whatever the man make you feel like you're a little girl, so no sir, no. Hey, you have somebody, you know, we bring woman back to them childhood, you know. Yeah, you have somebody. Yeah, because me feel like that's a one. Yeah, man, you have some, yeah, you have some, yeah, you have that something there, you know? Yeah, man, I put it up on you, you just feel so vulnerable and be like, oh my God, take me. Yo, I want to go out, my friend. But the man make and just feel like I'm a little girl. She don't even talk like that. She don't talk like that, but him just make me feel like a little girl. Then no. Squeaky says September need for hurry up and come though. No, Squeaky, be serious, you know. September, man, we not in that hurry up for come thing there, you know. Just so you know, just to make you know that, yeah? You know you're not born September, so you wouldn't understand. When you say we September, man, we not in that hurry up for come something there. We don't want to hurry for come. We not in a hurry for come something. You understand, man? So balance your thing, you know, Squeaky. September you talk about, a different man you talk about, you know. Yeah. September man, them have difficulty all do quickie. That me I tell you, you're Squeaky. Know that. Okay. Ja, no. All right. Here are the levels. No, I'm coming with the energy today and I'm feeling nice and idea. And it's not the coffee. It's just a natural eye. Come on now. All right. Karen Robin, what you know about September, man? So people, I have one brethren. Them man they ever troll social media in a woman inbox, you know. So him see this woman. I mean, now knock hot girl knowing him, just make a point. Say if you know you're hot girl and look good girl, don't believe me a boss liberty and a bantan you or a boss liberty pan you and a true word pan you. So all of my hot girl friend them, what I'm about to say, it don't apply to you. All of the TamFam hot girls them, if you know you're hot girl and you know say you look good girl and you steer good and you not have to say it because you hear it every day, whole your thing. If I dessa you there, I dessa you them. Just have talk about somebody who not nothing to do with TamFam. So, him say this woman you know, on her social media profile, the only thing where she posts is herself. Right? She only posts pictures of herself. And all of them is she looking hot. Whichever right for do is her page. What she want to do it, right? So follow me, you know. Nothing wrong with that so far, you know. Follow me. The only thing she posts. Because you have a whole heap of people on social media like that. Them only post themselves. Them not post nothing else but themselves. And them do them look a thing and them hold up, them do them look a selfie and them have this thing. I wonder if them know say them do it. You know, say most of the hot girl them and whatever. I wonder if them know that there is this code and pattern that they follow, that they all, not all of them, but most of them do it, like when them do it, that they do it the same way, right? They hold up the phone and them a look in at the phone and them just a switch up position, like small switches, and them keep on a play with them ear and a put back them ear if them have, you know, but them do something like this. Right? They all do it. It's them thing. It's a thing. You know, it's a hot girl thing. And whatever. Even though you have someone do it and, you know, you're quiet, they be like, oh my God, who's going to tell her? But anyway, sidebar. Yeah, so him know this woman, him see this woman on social media, and that's all she posts. She just posts herself. And she look good. You know, goodie up there, you know? Sell her. And she look good. But it's one of them women who knows she look good. Right? That is important. She knows that she look damn good. Also important is, I estimate her in her late 20s. So you have to follow all of the elements. You know. She there on social media. She look damn good. She really does look damn good. And she in her 20s, her late 20s. When women in them 20s, them still a feel themselves. Them not reach 40s yet when certain things, you know, them stop, like certain things not bother them no more, and them not in other look of something there anymore, and them not in other looks thing there anymore, and them, you know, them start to appreciate some other qualities about man, and she not reach this yet. She still a feel herself, you know. And that's how hot girl in them 20s be it. Here is the clincher now. Here is the clincher now. In her profile, she have her Cash App, her Zelle, and her PayPal. In her profile, you know, she said, this is my Cash App, this is my Zelle, and this is my PayPal. Mr. Man, him gone over there in the woman inbox. As soon as him go over there in the woman inbox and thing and whatever, she talks him. A man, of course, a woman know, and this and that about her and whatever, and this and that, and Ray, and, you know, she not no class and whatever, and thing like that. And me, I said, dog, that not have nothing to do with the woman. That not have nothing to do with the woman. Are you the idiot? You either go over there or whatever, or you either have some talk for make you bounce things differently, or if you don't have no talk or whatever. That woman make you know what she's about right up front. You don't have to ask. So you have to know if you can manage or something there. If you can't manage it, leave it alone. Leave it alone. If you are going to see a woman who, by society standard, is obviously very pretty, and if you notice that woman posts herself every day looking very pretty, and if you see what she's exuding is that self-confidence where I am it, and I know I am it. I mean, I care if anybody don't realize that me it, me know say me it. She is presenting that every day. And then on top of that now, to just, you know, solidify everything, like what she's about, what she's marketing, what she's presenting, what she's putting out there, the energy that she's sending out to the universe. The woman have her Cash App, she have her Zelle, and she have her PayPal, and tell her where you have to send. Why you gonna surprise if the woman attacks you and whatever? Then you know obviously attacks you, go tax you and whatever. You understand? And him go start style her up and whatever and this and that. No. She know what she's about. She know what fair value is. And she know what she can get fair value. And then worse now, him go over there with the caricature, the standard thing. The first thing he going over do, I tell her, oh, she beautiful and whatever this and big no. If you see somebody beautiful, if you see a man handsome, if you see a woman pretty, if you not look her, you go through the airport and you see her and you not look her, or whatever, you can be like, excuse me, just have to share with you, you're a very beautiful woman. I do that. I not look them. And most of those women, you know, they'll be like, thank you, I appreciate that, you know? And sometimes you do them something, you know? It's some woman or whatever, and me just surprise them and say, excuse me, I just want you to know that you're walking with confidence and presence today, and you just look, you're standing out, you look spectacular, and I'm feeling a positive energy from women. Love that. You not look them, right? And they know say you not look them and whatever. You're just being nice and you're being objective because you're telling what she would feel, that he's being sincere. He's telling the truth. He really thinks this, and it's nice. Women love to be acknowledged, you know, with their pluses, you know. They like that stuff, you know. So if you're not look at, you said it. Squeaky and others. But I know Squeaky must be guilty of this, you know. Squeaky in our family, no, you know. But you see, if you're a girl, if you're a pretty girl, and she really, really pretty, do not tell her that she's pretty. Do not come with the game that she's pretty. She hear that from she little bit. She hear that from she little bit. From she little bit, people are give her things and she never asks for it. From she little bit, them a put her at the front of the line. From she little bit, she get them attention. That is nothing to her. Pretty attractive woman. Let me hear that all the while. So if you come and tell them, say, if your game is to tell her she's attractive, telling a pretty woman that, you know, if you look her, remember now, you know, if you not look her, a different thing, but if you look her, and you go tell her she's pretty, you know, that is like saying, hi, hello, did you know that the sun rises in the east in the morning? It's like, duh. Yes, it does. You understand what I say? And at that him go over there with. You can imagine how much man going at that woman the inbox and I tell her oh she pretty and whatever. A dime a dozen. Whole heap. And him going over there like just like any other man. Just like the thousands of man which she used to or whatever. Of course she gonna tax you. You ain't got no game, dude. You understand? See, the danger is true. If me hear me beautiful, it sounds boring. If a man a look you, right? Right? If the man a drive for you, no. Do something creative, man. Right? And back in the day, I just make up all some stuff up on the spot, you know. See all a woman who I like, you know. And you know me always a joke about foot back. See all a woman who I like, me just go over to her and look in her face, you know. And this I'll bend down, you know, and look on the back of her foot, you know. And at the time she depend. And then me get up and just look on her again and just walk with. Fuck up her head. Yeah, I just walk with and I left her and I'm like, what him just do? What him just do? Yeah, so they walk with me like, hi, what was that about? What was that about? And what was what? What was that about? What you just did or whatever? I was just looking at something. What were you looking at though? I don't have to tell you what I'm looking. Are you attacking me? And then she will start laugh like whatever. What? Yeah, because you think creative. You understand? Angela like, not. Yeah, it hurt though. Yeah, it's different. It's different. Right? It's different. Y'all do something like that and patient and thing. And then, you know, so now the next time you see her, the next time you see her, she'll watching her and watch what you're up to, you know, and then thing, and y'all draw a cap and like, why you watching me? Wait, no, I'm not watching it. Yes, you're watching me. Yeah, because you came the last time and you're looking around, but that don't mean you have to watch me. Yeah, because you think different. You understand? Well, I'm a good behaving boy, you know. You know, yeah, whatever, you know. Sean said, I compliment men on their teeth, cologne, feet. Looks and me no want, and looks and me no want them. See, yeah, I'm going to do that all the way, you know. Kiki, stop talk out your secret. Me, my secret? No, Kiki, no, Kiki. Oh, things set different, you know, so. Don't worry, the things set different, you know. Don't worry about it. We're not a secret. We don't keep secret with them. So, no, come on now. We don't keep secret, man. I'm telling them, I have to be careful in the car if I go on with the woman them one day, you know, and then come with them thing, you know, and board. No, man, I used to fear lyrics. It was different, you know. Yeah. You know, when we go say, yo, you know, ladies behave on themselves because I mean grown no raga old man. I mean grown no, right? Yeah. And she called what you say, aye, Mr. Sir, you never grew on me. You never grew on me and stop that growing thing. The any grow you grow, you need to come grow something in me. Sir, come yeah, it's different, you know, and it's funny and whatever. Them something I want to come up with, man, on a thing for different, man. Your Deb said them about Tief that one, you know. Ladies, look out for the foot back, look. No, but you know, it don't have to be the foot back. It can just be something creative, something different, you know. You know, I have to do that. Whatever. Anyway, me just want to take on some of my friend them first. Me have one next friend now. About 2 years ago. About 2 years ago. Good say she turned Christian. Still cool, you know. I'm charging, you know. Yeah. Bad girl too, you know. But good say she turned Christian. She in a church and whatever. Yeah, man. And I one of them Christian, they were, you know, them want to save souls. You know. So she, whatever, you know, want to save soul and I tell about God and all them something. We have a little crew, you know. But good stone, good Christian and whatever, you know. Behavior change and all these things and a juggle thing different because goods are Christian now, you know. That's our thing there and whatever and I go on and whatever. So we, you know, we look a crew around there, we start adjust, you know. All me like, so like, I can't cuss bad word around here, I still can't cuss bad word around here. She's like, if you want. No, if you want mean, if you do it, it's not gonna bother me, but I'd prefer that you don't. right? And I look at something that I deal with, you know. Yeah, good stone, big Christian and be something and whatever, man. It's all about God and life and just, you know, carrying ourselves in a whole different way. And you know, Jamaicans have this thing them about, they call the secular world, worldlian, right? That Jamaican Christian them can know. A worldlian, meaning that worldlian thing and goods, I live our Christian life, I live our Christian life, I live our Christian life, I live our Christian life. All about God and all these things. Everything, God. She not do this anymore, she not go here so anymore. This and that, right. Goods go get one man. A man and a Christian. But according to goods, you know, the spanking proper, you know. Good said the boy have a piece of tool, man. You know, she said the tool humble her, you know. And this a bad man to go be a girl, me I tell you about, you know, when I start out, turn up, you know, stallion, you know, triangle, you know, man. And whatever, you know, but whatever I go on with this a boy, you know, a boy have a sitting there, man. And he look like a boy, I know if he joke this, you know, cause You know, she tell me, I say, yo, you think connect, man. Good stop, go church. Sabbath church, you know, Sabbath church, you know. Good start, go church irregular now, you know. And Ghana, man, you know. And then the church attendance a decrease and thing. Then goods, you know, she said goods I do some extra something and, you know, I do, like she go back. Lord God, them people that come for co-host them thing, yeah. All right, you know, and whatever this and that and really. Then I know so with the on my WhatsApp group call and we confront her and thing. I was really a going. Because I look like a backslide, you know, I look like a turn back in and good to the body, man, the body. Yo! Listen to me, man. We're not joking out the God thing. We're not joking out the God thing. We're not joking it out. But ladies, the same thing when man go through, you know. Cause I'm telling you, you know, me, you know, there was a time I can't forget Sanders. Anybody know Sanders off of King's House Road or whatever? Me live over there, so by my house over there one time. And live on that side there. And I can't forget, you know, I get one good walk, you know. And when me, you can imagine you get a good work from a woman and the work so good that you think about sacrifices that you want to make for her. And some good chun that, you know. you can imagine you get some good chun and the way the chun good, you like, all of a sudden the song was say, I'll catch a grenade for you, makes sense. Yeah, because you're like, you would run through fire for that woman here, you know. You start getting all emotional and all them something, you know. You feel an incredible connection with her, you know. You want to fight all 10 lions, you know. You just want the opportunity for demonstrate to her and say, yo, me do anything for you, you know. Hey, a good work them there, you know. And some woman have that work there, you know. Right? I mean, I tell you, say, at the time, when me did I get it, I feel me I lose my damn mind and thing, you know, and girl I curl up with something, you know, she have that something that, you know, vacuum suction, something that wouldn't, you know, and everybody know for do it, right? And some of the things I want to know, squeeze, that is it. It's not the squeezing good, you know, but you have one squeezing thing where, squeezing good, but you have woman who can make them juju breathe. Not anywhere, every woman can do it. Let me say that again. You have women who can make them chun deep breathe. And when I say deep breathe, you're talking about exhaling and inhaling. So like when you are pulled back, them are exhale. And when you come, them are inhale. And it's like it a breathe and they go and draw you in and think or whatever. Them things that will make you lose your mind and do things where you don't normally do and all them something that make you want to catch grenade for woman and them something there. And when that did happen to me, I'm a sister, me I lose my mind and all them. I'm jump out of that. I'm say, my girl, get up and go your yard. Get up and go your yard. No, go your yard. No. I said, what are you doing? What is wrong with you? What are you doing? I say, you need to leave. What? Why? What? No, because right now me I think all kind of things. I mean, I usually think and whatever and this like that. I'm not gonna mad over your front. I'm not madding over your front. You need to leave. Breeze me. Kingsley, you know how ridiculous you sound right now. Would you just stop? I say, breeze me. Me need a break from you. Right now. Your front nah go mad me. It's my responsibility to make sure, say, your front nah mad me. Me now your front a while ago, me I think all kind of foolishness, but me want to make sacrifice for you and thing and like, when I buy a house with that woman here, you know, and all them something here, but what she need? And thing. Listen to me. Breeze me. We need a break. You serious, right? Yes, me serious. Just breeze me. Cause my head not too straight right I know, and this is not me. Right? I know. You got to be, I'm not joking, you need for breeze me, whatever. And good start get mad, you are so ridiculous, this is so immature and so stupid. Me say you can't say what you say. Me not stay and make your front mad, me and them something. Me never in the front and I think call them something then whatever this and it's that thing that way you do, that look drying and pulling something there and whatever, and it just make me whole mind, it feel good and whatever, but it a mess with my head. Me need a break, because me not gonna be like them Monday. Oh, breeze me. We need a break. And thing. And she cuss out me nastiness and storm out there. But I knew what was I was doing. You have to take responsibility for yourself. You understand? Grace Sims said, what is her name? I need a mentor. Yeah. No, man, a long time something, man. Yeah, man, I have to take a break, man, because you have to be careful. So that me I tell you now with my sister now, Ladies, if you pick up the thing and you have travel with God and all them something, you have to be careful of temptation, because you have a term out there, It's called devil dicks. You gotta be careful with them, right? Right? Devil dicks, DD, and you have the BB, backsliding bodies. Body will make you backslide. What yeah, them body they will make you backslide. People, you see when me in an element like this, well, I know, sidebar. When I see why I'm if I do the comedy show next year, don't somebody just subscribe. Deborah, big up yourself. When I see why I'm if I do the comedy show, just don't. I love to make people laugh, because me love laugh. Whatever, right? So, based on what I do right now, tell me if I do the comedy show next year. Tell me if I do the comedy show, people. Tell me if I do the comedy show next year, people. Tell me. I'm show on us. I'm see my chat right now. Daily Dolly said, do it. Yes. You should. And Janice says you should. Right? And if me do it, I keep it 100 with things that are relevant, Relevant. All right? Gracie, you're hilarious. I would come to your comedy show next year. Jay Berg said, see that beer, yes. All right? Currents of Florida. No, man, we're going to make it happen. No, but big up the subscriber, them will come in. Big up the subscriber, them will come. You know what I say? Need for past 200 subscribers, and what would it? 166. Just to come to Atlanta. Yeah, man, we're gonna put it together and make a tour, man. All right. Celine said, Maryland. Monica said, you must do it. Bashman said, come to London. Daniel said, I'm trying to stay away from BBs and DD. Yeah, them double B and double D there. Yeah, I have to be careful of them, man. I have to be careful of them. I can't blame them. I have to take charge. Like when me take charge, me jump out of that. Where Raga always telling you. You see the thing where you enjoy the most, the thing where you need the most, and the thing where you love the most. And be careful, because you can enjoy something but you don't necessarily love it. So there are three distinctions. Anything where you enjoy the most, anything where you love the most, and anything where you need the most. You must identify those things, and you must be able to say no to them. Anybody who listen to me who knows that's something my heart on for a long time. You must be able to say no. It doesn't mean that you don't accept it, You can accept it under safe circumstances, or under circumstances where you manage your thing and say you're good. You gotta accept it now, whatever. But as I explained before, it's and me learn that from, right? I mean, I get in right now, because that's another story and thing. But, like a woman who explained to me about the most incredible sort out she ever get and whatever, and she spent like more than an hour regaling us about how incredibly it was and thing and whatever, and it was just amazing listening to her. This was the most incredible thing that happened to her, and at the end she said, never again. And I couldn't understand it, and I was like, why would you never again? This is the best thing that ever happened to you. She said, exactly. And I was just say, why you don't want the best thing that ever happened to you again in terms of pleasure? And she's like, because I can't manage it. How many of us do that? How many of us know that something is so good that you can't manage it and you know your limit and you leave it alone? Women seem to have more control over that than men. Well, not all women, obviously. I'm just saying women seem to know when something is so good that them can't manage it, that even if them still take it, they have certain parameters and boundary under which them take it, you know? You more hear a woman say, why, and him have to do a touch me, you know? And I lose my mind from him touch me all when I'm sick and whatever, I just weak to him. All him have to do a touch me and whatever, this and that. I mean, so when you're not there with him, no, son. Them Monday you're not for there with him. You can't there with them Monday, because him so and so, him too ignorant, him this and that, and him lazy, and him so and whatever, and this and that. I couldn't there with him. So, but you still take him. Yeah, because him body good. And what you're hearing there, that woman is compartmentalizing the pleasure. She's managing it. So she knows exactly what aspect of that man she's weak to. And she's not making that one aspect of him blinder to the other sides of him that is unattractive. And that is just not a good idea for her to be affiliated with those other sides. So even when she's still partaking of that thing that constitutes her weakness, she's managing it. And the first thing she's doing for you to effectively manage those things is to admit it and to know that, yes, this is my weakness. But don't make your weakness be a holistic thing, right? Remember, your weakness can be a component of, right? So you can have, somebody can, you have your weakness to that person, which is a component of. But don't lose sight of the other things, because the other things, they might be such that, nah. And you may have to say no to your weakness. Yeah, man. The smart, successful people in life, they do these things really, really well. As opposed to the other one, them will get some good chun-chun and some good body and just, I'm in love. It's like, no, you're not in love. You're just getting some good work. Calm down. Sit down. Relax. Anyway, family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one have, family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one have, the box is open, and
it's urgent. I will go up there. All the man the want entrepreneurs run a cable feed. When we go up on the internet in a room, I will go there. I him one day, they can't even move out of the bed. I want pump on the whole shit up. I'm saying, Brethren, this doesn't make no sense. Because him have money. And I said, my brother have money. Trust me, my brother never hurt for money. Him they have money. Right? Don't.
God, you see it though. We don't have nobody with care for you.
The woman they care for you, don't you see? What happened?
Then if you need care for him, then you have him right there.
No, what happened? Him start to treat her like shit. Him I go to Jamaica. When I go to Jamaica, as a 8 unit apartment building, and him call her and tell her to deal with it. She never deal with it. However, if I mean come back from Jamaica, she's a whore, she's a bitch, him start treat her like shit.
All of that.
But don't make no sense. You go to Jamaica and run a little girl them. My brother can get like
Yeah.
that him stupidness when have a run like a stinking dirty body girl them at Jamaica. When the doctor just like out him. Him have a colors me back when inside him. Yeah man, him have one. Yeah man, him have one. No, cause me know what it is. I may see. Right?
Dean,
And I
Dean,
tell him, cut it out. The colors me back for 1 year.
Dean,
get
Dean!
radiation and chemo and tell the doctor and prefer dead. Right? And
Dean!
since when I the last month, you might try to get all kind me go to Jamaica and the man spend almost $1 million. So me don't make no sense to me. It make the woman brainwash. Oh, I can save your life. Virgin. She can't save her life. She waste the money. And when you could have get natural herb for $1,000 from people. The first time me and go to Jamaica and go to see the woman, I almost $80,000 in gear. Which 80,000, almost 800,000 in gear. Right? And him said to the woman, everything we need, him have to buy it from the woman. Him said to the woman, say, that me never know say the man a take chemo. And when me go there, no, the woman, if he made the woman come do it, the not that.
I think this is as good a time as any to just remind you folks that you do want you do want to exercise the appropriate care and caution when you're on your phone and you come on a Ragashanti show and, you know, you ride and whistle, as we say in Jamaica. You are doing different things at the same time and whatever. We could sit there because you could tell that there's a lot more going. But, you know, when you go on the coloscopic bag and all that stuff, we probably don't want to go too far with the eavesdropping, okay? Because what he was saying, you know, it kind of suggests that at any point he may really say something he never want to go out in the public, you know, so I cut it off, you know, because it gone in as some really it did nice, sexy tantan, but sometimes you can't go too far with them something if you have the choice, you know. So we could have sit down there and listen, whatever, but oh God, man, he's talking to somebody and he's not aware that it's going over to 900 and odd people and things like that, and it's very personal and it's about a relative and you have, you know, sickness and all these things involved, and so I decided to cut it off, you know. I was ready to sit, I'm ready to sit my tea and get comfortable, because I'm telling you, know, one of them days we go bingo, you know. One of them days we go bingo, you know, we go bring in and we go hear something upon the, watch and see. One of them days we go bingo, you know, watch and see. One of them days we go in and we go hear something sitting upon the phone. We now go normal, okay. I'm never tell you, Nikki, though. Yeah. Anyway, families, and it's funny, the topic this week is family secret mix-up. We were just hearing some family secrets there. We certainly were, right? We certainly were. All right, family secret mix-up or any other mix-up you want to have and think. Remember my party, Saturday, September 20th. Me need the whole of you come my party. Me not hide and talk. Me need the whole of you come support my birthday party. Ragashanti birthday party named Ragashanti Miss Cherry Washbelly birthday party. Ragabash. Saturday, September 20th at the Amazura in Queens, and I need you all to come on my party, all right? It's at Amazura in Queens. Come laugh and dance. Right? It's a grown and sexy party, and I look at picnic something. Right? Grown and sexy. It's a festive grown and sexy party, right? Jiggy, energetic, fun, grown people fun party. When you just come enjoy on yourself, nice and safe, and the whole works, all right? Get your tickets, and if you want to get your tickets from me directly, you can, all right? But tickets are selling over New York City in the Jamaican usual locations where Jamaican party place them sell them tickets and things. But let's go, and I'll tell you more about this later on in the show. But let's go. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Let's have some fun right now, people. Let's go. A Ragashanti life. Hey, what's up?
never said nothing sweet to say it, Raga.
What?
Mixing it tonight.
What?
After from how long? You say one day you're going bingo.
Yeah.
And you bingo tonight, right in at the height of the topic. And
Yeah.
it's sweet, you know.
I know.
2 seconds, even 2 more seconds.
Nah, I made a call. And I stand by it. You have to think about with some things, you have to think about how he may feel after. Given that he doesn't know that hundreds of people listening to him based on what he might talk about his sibling and so forth and things like that. So, you know, I didn't do anything wrong. As he made a mistake and thing and whatever, but at the same time, I could extend him some grace by not extending that.
But my thing is, oh, you could have lucky so. Right in the week when you said the first night, you said family mix up.
Yeah,
And
family secret mix up.
The first thing for come up on the platform is
A big family secret mix up, don't you? No, but that is where Jamaicans would say, God is good. Look how God just sent that one. No, it's not God. It's a coincidence. It's an accident. And I don't think he would be too happy with it. So I let it go.
Because you have him right name still up. I think I assume it's his right name.
Let's not even talk about that. Cause we don't know about it. Go back and I check it and them something there. You know?
Bye-bye, Raga.
All right. You see how it's sweet, you? You see how it's sweet? It tickled your fancy, didn't it?
No, I laughed because they said family mix up. I remember my mother telling me, say, about outside brother.
Yeah.
And when my father used to work, my father used to pass the mother yard to come home.
Yeah.
So, you know, in the night work.
Mm-hmm.
So at the back away.
Hold on. What you say him do? Night work?
Yes. He work at night. But Raga, come on for here.
All right, yeah. Okay, night work.
But you say, him used to pass the yard before him come home.
Mm-hmm.
But him not stop in a yard, you know. Him not stop there. But when him do, him used to throw a bunga callaloo every morning over the yard.
What?
Where him work, they used to plant callaloo at the back.
Yeah.
So every morning when him coming home, him pass and throw a bungalow callaloo over that yard.
Yeah.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Not knowing that my mother can see down the line because she know the time when him normally come up the road.
Yeah.
So him throw a bungalow callaloo over the yard. Every morning when him come. So when he come in now and bathe and have something to eat, he go round the other street now and go through that yard where can join with the yard where him throw the callaloo in and go through the fence. And so me get one outside, brother.
Oh. That started from the callaloo.
The callaloo.
And callaloo is good for you, It can, strengthen you up and all these things or whatever. So you don't know, something for something, don't. Yeah. And produce a brother, So it go. But big up yourself for that one. We have a whole heap of them out there, so people call in and come give it on a family secret mix-up. Send it on. Brave up your thing, make we hear what go on and things in. Dan, big up yourself, you be it from morning.
Long time. I'm now stay with you tonight, Raga.
No, what time you being? We know you're there in England, but what time you being?
I'll be about after 6 this evening. I'll be this morning.
Right.
Time at you now.
Right. What the name of your soap?
My soap?
What you about my soap? If you know the name of your soap, just say the name of your soap.
My soap name Q is a special soap.
Name what?
Q. It's a liquid soap in the bottle.
Q?
Yeah.
Is this like an England thing, a British thing? Over there?
No, it ain't that you're from itch or anything like that.
Oh. You have
I can't use the regular soap, them kind of itch my skin.
So you don't use carbolic anymore?
No, I don't use carbolic. I love carbolic, but I don't use carbolic anymore.
Okay, just checking. All
I
right.
would don't get talk about some I use carbolic. You know me, you know. I
Uh,
don't use body wash either. I use
and you know
special.
for soap up, you know for soap up your body good.
Yeah, man. I don't really need nobody. I kind of have one thing I'm going to put around the back there and scrub the back.
One thing, what the thing name?
One long something where I have two angle and I just put it across my back and scrub it.
What the long something with the two angle name?
Back scrubber.
What?
Scrubber.
Scrubber?
Yeah, SCRUBER.
SCRUBER. It's not BBER.
No, Raga, no, I don't know me not.
All right, then blessings here.
All right, then, Raga.
All right, love and blessings, man. Cool. I got family secret mix up or any other mix up on have a Ragashanti live on TikTok in a wayo. Let's go. Watch you know. You sitting full up here so now, you know. Murder she wrote, you know. I could hear where I go on, you know, people you know, come in and come say this up with them. All who not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow Miss Cherry Wash Belly right now. Make it happen. Hello, good evening, good night. Hello. All right, people, check on the phone. Make sure say if you want to send in a request on the one for talk, right? Because when you go to no talk, it all up is sure. You understand? I want to do that all up and call up, you know? All right. Hello.
Good evening, Raga. I have a mix-up figure with a with a relative of mine.
Box me in my nastiness with it, yeah.
Yes, one time, you know, a cousin of mine come from abroad.
Yeah.
She and our fiance.
Yeah.
So I am the one who always cook for them and go around with them, go to the club and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So you know, England people love liquor.
Oh, they do?
Yes, so both of them now, me follow them go a club, man, and we come home late the night after midnight, and both of them was drunk.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to stay with them.
Mm-hmm.
But, you know, I always go home, you know, but that night, you know, I couldn't get to go home that night.
Right.
And I had to sleep with both of them. We sleep in the same bed. Mr. Raga, when me did a lay down and sleep, me there at the end, you know.
Yeah.
My cousin, right? Him there at the front of the bed, and me there him there at the one side of the bed, and me there at the other side, and my cousin at the front of the bed.
What you mean? No, hold on. If the two are there on the other side, or your cousin for there at the front of the bed?
No, him there at the front, him there at two sides, you know the bed have two sides, right? So
Yeah.
my cousin at the middle, and him there on the other side of the bed, and me there on the other side.
Oh, okay. Your cousin, the woman. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm.
She in the middle, she there next to me, and in front of her.
Mm-hmm.
In the middle of the night, Raga, me sleep and wake. Me have all my clothes and everything, you know.
Yeah.
Brother, Raga, you know so me feel something a go on. For me, you know.
Pan you?
Yes!
What you mean?
The man a dugu me. So me I say, wait, I want to go and I wonder if he forgot say,
No, hold on. When you say my dugu you, like, him did in your living room?
yes! Me wake up and find him in my living room. And
Hold on. You wake up and him instrument in you?
yes, wake him up. And me I say, wait. Then
No, what position? You did it by your side?
me lay down upon my back. Upon my back, me find myself and me did it on my side.
Hold on, say that again. You did it by your back and what?
No, I was on my side. I went to bed on my side and I find myself on my back and him here in my living room.
And him the on top of you in you?
Yes.
So what your cousin did there? Your cousin did there beside the same way?
Yes. She asleep because she did both of them did drunk.
Drunk.
Yeah, man, them drink holy palika, then it's junk.
And you wake up and him the top of you and the inner you?
Yeah.
And
So
tell me truth, it did feel good?
No, because it's like me did, me didn't want to break up and me did a chill out, and me never. So me say what is man? So me I push him, and the more me I push him, and the more him I go down in the living room.
What a guy! Listen to me, man. Listen to me, man. You make me poop up myself. The more you push him off, the more the dog got deep up in the living room and send it up down. So what? Me go on, tell me the rest.
And me I push him now come off him. The more him push him, and the more him I go down deeper in the living room. And me I tell you something, me have on my underwear and him go between the underwear, him never take it off or anything,
I want that style where him just dry it one side down.
Yes.
Jesus. So the more you push, and the more him push.
In the living room.
The more you push, and the more him a push. And then what happened?
And me I push him on, come off. Me bite him.
You bite him?
Yes, me bite him.
Which part you bite him? Where you bite him?
My neck.
Pan his neck.
Yeah, me bite him and him come off.
And I saw him come off.
Yeah.
And then what happened?
Him not say nothing to me again and me not say nothing to him.
That's it?
Yeah, so me go back go sleep and him go back go sleep and from that him not say nothing to me and me not say nothing to him. So me do the same routine and me always do.
Right, so you just act like it never happened, right?
Yeah, him go on like it never happened and me go on like it never happened.
That time your cousin there beside you drunk and pass out and thing. Poopa Jesus. My God.
Him never said, me not discuss it with him again. Me not say nothing to him and him not say nothing to me. Just everything as usual.
But do you think like him did think are your cousin him the pan or something or it was deliberate?
Me think him, me I wonder in my head if he miss and believe say I'm my cousin, but then again me say, but me have my clothes, me underwear and him go between the foot so that I see a thief him thief it.
So you say I thief him thief, I look dugu from you though.
Yeah, I thief him thief it. Him know when did that because why you go between them?
No, because he might have forgot who over your cousin for come over to you,
Right, yeah. Me bite him.
And you bite. So you think that the whole pum thief thing was planned by him or and him act like say yeah.
He plan it because he maybe him always friendly with me, but me never really pay it any mind,
So to the best of your knowledge, him did I give you look at eyes and thing and friendly with you.
No mind. And like him would like me that do things for him and him would give me extra money and all of that.
Okay. Probably I like him drunk off him woman, your cousin, makes you pass out,
Yeah, because him all when me I said to him, say, no man, let you dilute the liquor. Him make you have what you want and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he would have known her enough to know so if you drink to a certain point, you're going to pass out and just essentially like, not being aware of anything that's going on around her because that would have very brave of him for what. Say him do that deliberately, though. That can't be by accident,
Me not say nothing to nobody. Me just bite him.
Bite him in his neck, though. One good bite. Yeah.
Good bite.
So the more you push him off, the more you must send it up in your door.
The more you must send it on.
Oh my God. And him just dry your underwear one side and slide it up in. Oh my God.
Him not take it off, him just draw the foot.
Well, yeah, I mean, in general, that is a nice, if you, it's a fun thing to do with for couples, you know, like sometimes, you know, take it off, you just dry it one side, and that has some excitement to it and things like that in general. But in your case, it was clearly an abuse of, you know, a form of abuse right there. And
Bite him, man. Me bite
bite him. Okay. And you not say nothing to your cousin or to him or anything after?
Me not say nothing to none of them. Me not say nothing at all.
No, listen to me. You did the right thing by not saying anything to your cousin, yeah?
I don't say nothing to her, and I don't want to discuss it with him or anything.
Don't discuss. Right. I mean, you did the right. There is no way. When woman in other position, if something like that happen, there's no way she not gonna have you up and things that you never have something to do with it.
Yeah, if me say anything, should I say?
Yes, she gonna say you have something to do with it.
I make sure I don't say anything to her.
Don't say. There are people listening right now who are thinking, say, no, man, you must have something to do with it. But it's possible, and this is not unusual.
Because I never have anything like that on my mind.
Right, because you say you did go through a breakup and all them things, they never pre-man and all them.
I never really, I do not, you know. But him always want to come around me, and them always want me come around him, because when me go to my house, him want she and both of them to come to my house to come look for me. Oh, I wanted to cook for me, I wanted to shop for me, I wanted to, you know.
Yeah. But if you don't mind me asking though, there's a question that in doing this for a while, you know, there's probably a question that a lot of people is going to have, and you know, so I'm just going to ask you. There are people, I can almost guarantee you, there are people listening right now who are, you know, they're going to be a little bit confused, like if you weren't aware before him actually get in at the living room, like, you know, them are going to think, say, no, man, him did have to come on top of you, you'd have to sense him, say him dead there or something like. So that, could you just help them to understand that how him reach in at the living room before you realize, say, can you have to walk me your leg, them and them something, you know, them look weird there and thing or whatever. So just explain to them how him get in at the living room before you realize him there, yeah.
You know, when you're out and you're out until after 12 in the night with people at club and a drink and
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
you want to come home and you want to go to bed. You want to sleep. You're tired.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
You come in and you fell asleep and thing. You just want to sleep. You're knocked out.
Right, right.
I tell you, I didn't feel nothing. I didn't feel anything. Only thing me feeling in my living room. So me say, wait. I wonder if he make mistake or anything. I mean, I push him now, push him. And the more I push him, the more I sink it. And the more I say, wait, what does he believe say I'm a cousin? And the more I push him, I push. So me bite him.
Bite out in clot, yes.
Me bite him. So when me bite him, now I saw him jump off and go back around there, and he don't say anything to me again about, and I don't say anything, you know.
So when you push him never look at you?
No, a dark in the room dark.
Oh.
In the room dark, man.
So when you bite him and he move, did he navigate exactly to where he was over your cousin?
Him go back to him position.
No, he know what him did that do.
Him know what him did that do, yeah.
Him know what him did that do. If when you bite him go right back, him consciously go right back to where him supposed to be in the bed, which means him have to go over back at your cousin, him woman, for go over the other side and think. Him know what him did that do. 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 Him did that eyes you for a long time and a prime you up and thing like that, you know. When you see him give you the extra money and all them something there, yeah, him did that prime you up a long time. I must think say, you know, him can go so. But you know what him did that do, man. Him know what him did that do. All right, thank you for that one there, yeah?
All right.
I mean, I don't mean to, but that was a good one here. I'm not condoning what he did. I'm just saying it's a good family secret. It's a good secret. One last question. To the best of your knowledge, were his dimensions, you know, big or small?
Me no know Raga, me never see it at night.
You never see it?
At night, me no know, me only feel.
But based on what? No, but based on what you feel, do you think that a formidable presence or was it just a tickler?
It looked like maybe about 5'6", my.
Yeah, about 5'6" or whatever. Yeah. Any idea what the girth could be like, the width, like, you know?
I don't know, Raga. I didn't feel it.
You just feel when it in there, right?
Right.
No, but what I'm saying is what you felt like. Let me ask you this: like when it did in there, was it like a big settee or was it just one little plastic chair?
No, it wasn't a big settee. It was my type of thing, but I didn't.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't,
It wasn't a big settee, but was it a little plastic chair that they did in the living room?
No, Raga.
No. Okay, so somewhere in the middle, like, like one of them chairs from Big Lots.
I didn't try nothing because I was sleeping and I was in those things.
All right, then, good.
Enjoy it, I wouldn't bite him. Somebody saying I was enjoying it. I wasn't enjoying nothing.
Okay, all right, then, cool.
How I made a bite him and make him. If I give him a bite, a hard bite.
No, yeah, but be careful doing because when you say the bite, me kind of draw back, because.
Me bite him.
No, but what I'm saying is that for a lot of women,
Bite him at his neck, as his neck there.
darling, take it from the old man, Raga. There's a lot of women when it's sweet, them and them nice, them like man who used to them thing, woman bite, some woman bite when it nice, man.
It was not icky, it was a bite.
It was a bite. Okay, understood.
And me know the kind of icky you give when,
No, me say not icky. You have woman when time them thing the sweet and them bite out your clot, man.
Really?
Yes, you never know that.
Me know them you is hickey like you suck the neck.
No, we know that different. Me I tell you, say you have woman, man, when good instrument reach them, man, them bite out. What?
That is okay.
Well, I first hear that. Listen now, two things. One man know. Worse if like you're out the road and whatever. I can't tell you this. You see, if you're out the road all about, two things you have to be careful when you put it on. You have to see how much the woman into it, And you can't go hold her down and whatever, because it's sweet and she can't manage. She will bite you, man, and left a mark on you. The other thing what you have to do, you have to always check her nails. And then if, based upon what go on and think, you have to hold her hand them because she go crab you up and get you in a trouble when you go home and she never even mean to do it. When the instrument then sweet, woman, you have woman who bite you, man. And they want them will sink them nail in your back and all them something there. You understand? So you learn something today. You have woman when it's sweet, them bite you, some hard bite. You have some woman love bite, man.
I thought it was just kissing the neck when they...
No, yeah, some woman them a bite, man. Them bite out your clot, you see, and whatever. And by the way, those women, they tend to like to be bitten too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, man, when I attack hickey bite, we attack bite. You have woman who want man bite them, man, like hard bite, Well, you never had aggressive, hard sort out before?
No.
Oh, that's why you don't know what go on. You have that look. No, man, you have some, just so you know.
I remember sometime like this guy, he had a crush on me. I didn't like him, but he liked me.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember I was sitting in a bus, and the guy grabbed me and bite me in my back.
What? So you had him never in a nothing, right? You had him never in a...
No, he always liked me, but me never liked him, and I wasn't giving the attention, and one day he bite me.
So, hold on, give me the picture. So where were you? Where were you sitting?
In a bus, and he was sitting behind me.
And he must sit behind you, but say him have this huge crush on you from a long time, right?
But me never like him.
And you never like him, and just somehow he was just overcome with like an incredible sexual urge that him just like reach over and grab you and bite in your back, no?
Yeah.
No, that one, no, that one, no. I kill me after the take time with me, no, man. Listen to me. When you say him just reach over, it's like him a look for you, like I love you, I want you, I think you look like food, and just bite you,
Bite me. Because he bite me hard.
I wish right in your back and bite your heart though.
Now my back him bite me.
Jeez,
Him the big, you know, like you know them big body man in big.
yeah, so
Never like him. Me never like him. No, the reason that he was from a area that I was dating a man and he was living in the same area.
right.
So I didn't want to talk to no man that, you know, was in the same area where my ex is. I don't want that. That is the reason why I wasn't, you know, interested in him.
Right.
And the man bite me. The bite had to.
Yeah, you say he was a big guy, so you got a big bite.
A big body guy, like
Yeah.
100 pound him weigh.
Wow.
But him young, you know, like he was older than me.
Right.
Him thick, a man bite me.
So you say that's evidence right there. You have people out there who into biting. Some people love it, you know, the biter.
What was hot, man? Far from him, you know what?
Stay far from him. No, that man has vampiric tendencies, right? He have some vampire proclivities, you know, or whatever. So you can't, you know, you have to be careful. The man can't just...
Me never like him like that, and it's not somebody me used to talk up with or not.
Right.
I like him. Me never like him, or me never want to have nothing to do with him, because me say, well, how me to talk to somebody that look worse than somebody who I used to date before? It must be have to step up the game. You know,
Okay, right.
I really want to deal with him.
Before you go, what is that thing making that sound in the background?
Maybe a bike passing or something.
Yeah, I hear that sound. It's soon coming again.
No, it was a bike passing through.
No, man. Wait, it's going to come again. Here it is. What's that?
I don't know. I don't have anything in my background to make any sound.
We're hearing it.
I don't know.
There it is.
I don't hear no sound.
Yeah, it's like a machine or something. You know, are you in a hospital or something?
Oh no.
There's some kind of machine, a little machine making
maybe
a
maybe
certain...
because my volume is
No, it's something making a sound at specific intervals, but it's not important. Okay, but thank you. There's like someone asleep, someone snore. People say, yeah, like somebody asleep.
Nobody is snoring. No.
Nobody. So see, they're wrong. All right, then big up yourself here. Thank you for those two here.
Okay, all right.
And you learned something today. There are biters out there. Yes, there are biters out there. Okay.
I didn't know.
Right. Yeah, man. All right, big up here.
All right.
Yeah, man. Cool. Blessings, man. Listen to me, people. All right, boy, the show start washing idea and whatever. All right. Remember now. Yeah, well, Kay, you work in the medical field. You say it sounds like a accident tank. So two things. But no, me just imagine look up the boy the way we like her off and obsessed with her and thing like that, and probably, you know, probably a girl look at talk and a show her signs him like her the whole time and thing, and you know, now get no knowing some her and all these things and whatever, and the dog must just get he must just reach a point and him heart full and you know long me love you. You know long me love you and he probably don't even know what him do. Eh? You know that look at some of them just reach out and grab her and bite her and thing, and perhaps the whole time, you know, and Nyam him did want Nyam her too. Yeah, that's possible. All along, he was just thinking about probably he just saw her as a delectable cuisine, you know. Probably had that him about the whole time. I love to eat some of that, you know. No long I want to eat some of that type of thing, you see me? And in fomenting that unending hunger to consume her, that sentiment overwhelmed him at that particular moment, rendering him into a state with no control, but to surrender to that extraordinary desire to eat her, and thus was manifested in that big bite. Nyam him did one nyamar. That boy is a nyama. I can't. People, you see why? I'm telling you, you see, you see why I would do this every day. Honestly, you see why I would do this every day if I could. This is why I would do this every day if I could. Because I already have the personality for it. Because I'm obviously out harder. Without apology, I'm out harder, Raga out harder. So if you come over to Raga, you're going to get out harder content, but not too raw and disgusting, right? Because, don't use code, I'm a love laugh, right? Where else you going to hear them something here, Where else you going to hear them something here? It's like I am here at my home alone, right? But it's like back in Jamaica, you hang out with the crew and you get joke, you get experience, you laugh, that's the feel I get from this. So that is why I would do this every day if I could, Listen to me, man. I never heard stuff like that. A man just like her off and just grab her and bite out her. No, sir. Yo, Tam farmers, big up on the set. If you're you're a Tam farmer. Tambourine family, TamFam. Tambourine family, I'm going to call it, the short version is TamFam. So you're a Tam farmer. If you hang out with Raga, you're a Tam farmer. Beyonce, she have the Beehive, Cartel, Gaza Nation, and whatever. Raga thing is, from long time, if you're new here, it's TamFam, short for Tambourine family. And for those who know my thing set, know the Tambourine figure. I want to see the people I post TamFam. You see the subscriber them? You see that? Look, in the chat, you see TamFam. Yeah, that's all the thing there. Queen Nash, big up. Sweet Julie, big up. Rosemary, large up and thing. Big up all of my subscribers, them and thing. Respect to them. Squeaky, big up yourself, Right? So TamFam, big up on yourself. Watch your right. Family Secret Mixup or any other Mixup on Hello?
Raga.
Wagwan.
Why, we just have something to say to what the girl I said a while ago about the cousin and Ray and the bed thing there.
Yeah.
Feel to say the cousin could know what go on. Feel to say the cousin could set it up for the man move to her.
Well, they did cross my mind. And then remember we did have that mix up that were there to where, the young lady, our friend, set her up for her man, moved to her and them something there. But from what she explained, it's possible that the cousin did really pass out for true. It's possible.
Yeah, but the cousin can't know what to come. You're going to give one little bit,
Yeah, Senna.
Back in the days.
Yeah.
I have a little man.
Mm-hmm.
Young.
Yeah.
I have a little man, but I have a little cousin come amongst me.
Yeah.
Younger than me. But
yeah.
I notice because I'm very observant,
Yeah.
I kind of notice, she kind of kinking up her teeth and her Friday kind of jump and prance, like, she would do the little flirting thing there.
With who?
With my man.
With your man, okay, cool. Mm-hmm.
So, I watch it, but I not say nothing to him, I not say nothing to she.
Yeah.
So one day now, him living in a 2-bedroom house, him and his mother.
Mm-hmm.
So me, you that go there now and stay with him. Me living with him at one point. So she used to come out, my cousin used to come out, and I noticed that, so I not say nothing to him, I not say nothing to she. One day the mother said, one weekend the mother said she go her sister go spend some time. So the mother room I go empty. So
yeah.
My cousin come out and she did it until the evening part now. Me said to her, say, make it not stay. Stay, nobody go out tonight, man. Stay.
Yeah.
Say, stay. I say, yeah, man, stay. I can't stay now.
the guy mother, you know, we don't want to call no name. He can't stay in the old lady room.
Yeah.
So she agreed.
Yeah.
So when we did it now and, you know, bedtime come now. Evening come, night come and bedtime come now. Me and my man, they are bed. So me I reason with him time she over the old woman the side of her room there now. So me I reason with him and me I say, you know, say me notice oh, you know, some little ways how she a go on and like should I give it up and them look away there. And I say, hey, me not notice that, you know. I say, yeah, man, I notice him. I notice it, man. So I say, me never really notice it, you know, but me not know. So me I say, here where you do? Me and him know a reason, you know. Here where you do? Wait until
Yeah, I just see it coming, yeah.
wait until later on when she feel like we are asleep.
Yeah.
Take time, me asleep, you know. And so me I tell him, so me asleep. Me take time now. Me asleep, so you gotta take time now and come out of the bed left me.
Yeah.
Take your time and you gotta screech. You're not gonna make it look obvious, you know, like me know what I go on, you know. You gotta take your time and screech it. And I'm going upon her. I want to really say if she that really move to you.
Yeah.
But a sign that she give me.
Right.
Say, you know, there was in the night when me and the man we were planning, you know. And when the come now film movie, you know. The day me asleep, you know. Me not sleep, you know, but me asleep. And me make her some sound like me a snore and thing and take him time and him come off of the bed. And him take him time and open the door. Take him time the door that barely a squeak and him take him time and him open the door. And him go in there and me take my time. When the time I stop snore too, you know. And shut up and then take my time and come off of the bed too. Back at him, you know. And he gone in there now, so and lock back the door. So me back at the door now. You know?
Yeah.
Put my ears on the door. I want to hear what go on in the Raga.
Yeah.
Put my ears on the door and him in there, me hear them a talk, them a whisper. Me not hear fully what them a say. But like if say something to her and she answer him, you know, them a whisper like. And the next thing me hear, the bed start make some, you know, them a do them thing, them get down to business and my ears upon the door and me a listen, you know.
So you hear your boyfriend and put it on her in there?
Yes, man. Yes, man. I didn't warn him from before, you know, so when you go in there, no, ease up, you know. Go hard.
You tell him for shell her out,
Yes, man.
Voila, you tell your man for go in there and shell out your cousin because...
Yes, Raga, because of that she want, that she go and get.
No, sir, why the show for nice tonight? Why? But what talk, yeah.
I'm say Raga, and him put it on her, you know, and I tell the boy hefty, you know.
Yeah, because him heavy, though.
Yes, him endowed.
Yeah, man, and think.
Good and him know him, I do. Him no ramp would walk.
Yo, she did a ball out under it.
Can't ball out, she a grown hard.
Okay, because she can't do, she can't do ball out,
She can't ball out, so I tell him to put it on her. Because she know so she's not supposed to can't manage that.
Yeah.
Put it on her and she a grown and when the time come and she want ball out and me ears dead and me not say nothing. And when him don't know, him taking time now and come back out, you know?
Yeah.
Come back out and me, when me hear them done and everything, now, because me I listen to everything, you know. And you know, I talk to her in the last part, you know, and I say, all right, then done now, I take time and I go back in the bed and I curl up back again and him take time and him tiptoe, lock back the door and come back in.
Yeah.
One piece of talking and one piece, but we are whisper now to you know, because we know what she over there, I hear what go on, you know.
Yeah.
Whisper now until, you know, we there we drop asleep. You see the morning when good girl get up.
Yeah.
Him get up, it's like nothing never happen.
No, yeah.
Nothing never happen. She not say nothing, she not act no way, me not say nothing to this blessed dear Raga.
Damn.
That was some 40 odd years me I tell about, you know.
Yeah.
50 odd years me I tell about. And I know she not know say me know.
And she not say nothing and hold it. And she hold it and thing and I say one word.
Man, she hold it like a G. But guess what now?
Yeah.
She never come out there again. It's like she couldn't manage it.
No. Well, she never flirty, come out and flirty again, man. No. No,
Yeah,
she.
man, and little after that now she take time disappear. Me no know she pass she gone, she don't come back out there again.
Which suggests that that night she received some serious body discipline, you know? Yeah.
Man, yes, man.
Yeah.
I'm proud, you see.
Yo, you know say you're sample. When you say make you proud, though.
Proud, man.
Him angle himself good, though.
Yeah.
Yes, man. Since you're flirty with your man and know how the things set and whatever. Yeah, man, a body you want your cousin body and your cousin man body and thing. All right, take it and thing because you say he dog heavy and one dump a chuck him and put it on pan her, though.
Man, yes, man, him dump it up on her, see, man.
Yes, man, and
You
thing.
ball out, but you can't ball out.
Can't ball out.
So she a going hard, you know, me
She have to roll it in. Yes, man.
Time for you now, I say, yes, man, I eat you want, I eat you go and get.
And she couldn't even ball and go say stop no or whatever. She just have to hold it and take it no. Jesus. And you say you're there at the door and you hear the grunt. You know when the punishment I reach a yard, hold back his sound and you can't but a grunt in the yard and some woman. Yes, man, I think. Yes, I'm from that she not pass our place again, you know? Yeah. Yeah, and not another word out there for that. Yeah. I know that bad. All right, big up yourself here. Yeah. Boy, me I tell you, you know, a bare excitement going out there in the world, you know. It's just a matter of, you know, having a platform for facilitate the expression of these things and whatever. Proper. You can imagine? She did it and thing and whenever can hear she say her, you know, she proud of her man the way mangle himself, you know, and she give him the green light, you know, go over there and shell it, man. You understand? And the dog must deal with the thing. Bilious, you know. Yeah. Can you imagine she did it, take it and can't make no noise, you know, because she know she'll take her cousin man and her cousin next door and whatever, you know, and she done a flirt with him thing and a line up a thing and whatever. Yeah, that they go on. She probably didn't have some serious pain there with that, you know. And for holding. But yo, I care what I say about her still. I like her for certain things. You see what I'm saying? Is that she hold it, you know? I never say nothing, yeah. To respect her for that, you know what I'm saying? She hold it and never walk back her mouth and say nothing and pass her place or anything or whatever, she know. Yeah, you have to give her rating so that, you know, you always have to hold it for people who hold them out, you understand? And also, yeah, so big her up for that. Yes, I. No, sir, why the show have a nice up tonight? I can't bother, you know. I can't bother with you sometime, you know. Sometime, you know, doesn't. Sure. I couldn't turn. Yo, people will learn something tonight. If somebody did tell me, say, you think a man can start out with a woman and she don't know until him actually do it? We learn tonight. It's possible. Hello, good night. Good evening. Wagwan.
Me there, but me want to ask her 3 questions. The lady that just came up.
Yeah.
I wonder if the man did use protection when him did a nana the whole. And I wonder if she sure the man not do it same way. Because maybe the man like when get. Who to tell Raga?
Well, those are possibilities. We don't know.
Yeah,
We don't
maybe the
know.
man stamp her same way and she don't even know.
You mean the cousin?
Yeah, maybe
No,
the man
that's possible, but you know mean say it happen, you know.
the man a enjoy 2 of them one time, 2 in 1 coffee the man gets. The man a there with the 2 of them same way. I believe the man
No,
with the 2
you
of them.
can't say the man You say it's possible. It could have did happen, but you can't say it did happen. But it could have did happen, yeah.
Or maybe the man like it afterwards.
But of course him like it. And of course him did like it. I saw it out and if it whatever and him woman tell him say go and go put her one pan her and whatever. Yeah.
Yeah,
Of
but
course.
we don't know. It's possible maybe them a link up and she don't know about it behind
No, what I'm saying is there's a lot of possibilities there. We can come up with we can imagine all kinds of possibilities.
Yeah, I have one quick story to tell you.
Yeah, man, say that.
I came back here to where I live in December, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's one girl I like, cause me go one wholesale them in normally shop. So
Mm-hmm.
me I say, wow, the China didn't get no employee, but him just catch me eye, and at the time me not date nobody. So me I say, all right then.
You did see who you like, what?
One guy we are working.
One guy we are working. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, him just catch me eye.
Mm-hmm.
So every time when me go there now, me make him do me the list. Like me say, brown man, come here.
Yeah.
Them something here for me and cash them and tell me how much. So you know I want gravitate him. So me I say, you want a drink? Like me say, take the change and buy yourself a drink or something.
Oh, yeah, all right.
Say to him, say, sorry about that, me that get one call.
That's okay.
So me normally like pay him like $200 because from which part the wholesale there, me live like close by if you go take the taxi if you go home. So me say, all right then. For instance, if $500 left, me say take the tip man because you do a good job and something.
Yeah.
So me start go the regular now. So one day now him come and drop off my stuff them down at the place and me take the taxi for go because like if me have load, me not go walk home my way. Take one taxi.
Yeah.
So I said to him, say, no, so me I go on your number because I can't bother to come out every minute right list. Me I go send you the list by your WhatsApp when I want. You check it up.
You know, easy, you know.
I check it up and tell me how much it go. Because you know, we know want to look
you know what it look no way like kind of look desperate we are, whatever, but and that Sykes get him number, don't?
Yeah. So when he give me the number, I never really text him nor call him. I just make it blow off one week and still go at the weekend go shop.
Yeah.
So when me shop now and something, I say, where you have my number in your phone I do? I store it up. It's not really, but through me that walk come and mark there. So, me never really say I too look at something me I grab. So I go up now and whatever me I say, well go on. I say I would say so much number you take a daytime. Yeah, hot bread out the road. Same laugh and say, oh, I brown in this. So me I say, yeah, man, I say, well go on. Same I say nothing. So me I say, please, I'm on the live. I know son see me there on the live.
From Jamaica days, there been somebody with the on the thing and whatever, and them call the person when them hear the person.
Yeah, obviously they see me there on the live because I have my phone and I use it. Yeah,
oh no, but I call her now. No, don't call her. She talk to Ragashanti now. No, go sit on one side and listen them pricky and think. Oh no, call her right now. Yeah, talk here.
So anyway, him said to me, say, whatever, me not call him or something. I say, I just too little stuff me that come grab her, that's why. So, I remember about 6 months, me not touching us, say me rusty,
Yeah.
But me I wonder how forget the body, because I don't want it look like, say, I want the fuck, but I want the fuck. So,
no, all right, we don't use the F words. That's out joker. Yeah, the TikTok thing, So the P word and the F word avoid. Yeah, man, that's okay. No, go on.
So, me text him this Saturday when I go, I say, how you do home? And I say, I do nothing. So I say, I want to get the off or something. I say, say Thursday I get the off, but it go change to Monday. So I say, all right, then me and you go for one ice cream day tomorrow. Yeah, so it's
sure.
Ice cream day. So yeah, like tomorrow Sunday, me and you can go to
yeah.
or ice cream for you and something. So I don't really like ice cream, but me I go come. Because I see the boy I make 1 and 2 first and I go like, want me up, but I play hard to get. Like, like this nice thing, you never want that. So, this a girl, you look me son.
Yeah.
Stop coming up, sure. I'll put it on now this stuff.
Yeah, put it on all this stuff because them annoying, man. And then too enough, man. All I want to call her and thing on a go in, man. Sure.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
So, the Sunday now we got a Devon house and we eat and something. And him say, me I follow you go up and something. So, I say, all right then. And him follow me come up and something, but the little, start out. So, I don't know how to work it out, forget it. So, I say, because the people around have been in us, so we're going to stop down there and drink 2 dragon. Because you know, you want to get in at the groove. Come on, think more, maybe now pick up the sign them and just know say, I could start out me, I beg you. Yeah, me I buy a dragon, me not just buy dragon, so. Me
Yeah.
buy ice cream, we just go eat and something.
Yeah.
Then I say, we are drink dragon. I say, we are mean by, we are drink 2 dragon to that sun, we just a come from. And I say, when I follow you go up, I say, of course, you have to follow me go up, and you can't leave me on the road stranded. You can't leave them thick, brown skin girl there. You're not afraid one man scoop her up after. You know me start drop me 2 lyrics.
Yeah, send them signal and thing and whatever, and him now pick up and what about that? Yeah.
But guess what? Him not talk much, so me I fear do the talking now.
Yeah.
Cause I first never bad up on man saying, cause normally the boy them a bad me up and me I fear tell him what to do and them there's something. So me I say, you can't leave them your tickers up on the road kind of so. You know them your Sunday, yeah.
Yeah.
Taxi crash and police and go and something.
Yeah, cause accident and all these things.
You know what I mean? But me I say, come follow me go up, man. Me I mean nothing.
Yeah.
And he up in my say, me can't, me I stay out. Me say stay out weird. Come inside, you afraid? Me say afraid to touch me and then something they say, I say, why the way me and you talk here, your friend, me afraid of you, you know? Me say slap me upon me ass. Me say that slap me upon me ass if me and you if. Then I say, you really mean it? Me say yes. Looking at me eye, you think I kids meal the year, so a big deal. Me start eat straight kids.
Well, so when I itch and whatever you say, but we are talking about.
We are going like a kids meal. We are going like a little boy, so.
Yeah.
Segment.
Yeah.
Me had a drop into a road. Me I say 6 o'clock gone, pick me time over. Pick me asleep and I wanna cover up.
Yeah.
Yeah, me have a job to work. So him slap me and me I say that no impress me. Slap me like if you have me pan a back as I say slap me pan them.
Yeah.
Him slap me and I say yes, I go like you know I use up your hand so.
Yeah.
I say hold me in my neck. Pretend like yeah.
Well, you tell him for hold you in your neck?
Yeah, me say hold me throat, grab me in my throat like you have me pan a back as I me arch my back.
Yeah.
So hold me like one pick me way like me. I say Nana say well me say squeeze my neck.
Squeeze your neck, yeah.
Yeah. I'm a brace up on him. I'm there outside. I'm a brace up on him. And I say, Brownie, it's easy to stop it now. So I say, I'm a stop him. Yeah, make me something stand up. I say, that more want it though. I introduce my something to you or something. So we are friends now.
Yes.
Yeah, me I say we are friends now. Me I introduce that to this and tell him saying, yeah, come invite me, I invite him. And I say, Brownie, it's easy. And I say, you mean you're going like your little boy, so you're a virgin. And I say, maybe, I say, all right, then I'm going to take your maybe tonight. Because you're going like you're a virgin. So, he come in and he kiss me. And I say, kiss me passionate like you like me. And he kiss me and I say, push your tongue in my mouth. Because I come like you don't want to kiss me. Let me show you a kiss me, go man. And him there and I kiss her. But now I kiss me. And I say, kiss me on my neck and kiss me on my breast. I'm taking a little bit of stiff in a raga.
Yeah, those are good. Those are good, yeah.
Yeah, juke out me eye this. What me have the juke out eye then.
Yeah, well, you have the juke out eye titty them, no?
Yeah, man. I don't wear bra. Cause my breast them slick a bit. I don't wear bra, but me have nice nipple like. And me put on a bra, you just see me nipple and say hello, hi.
Hello, hi, here I am. Hello, yeah. Yeah, we know them nipple. Yeah, we know them nipple.
I'm like, you know, want kiss me. I say, listen, hold me in my neck and kiss me up and do the things then. Then I say, listen, me not do that say now. Me not start out say now. You have to romance me down and feel it up and play with me and then there's something that get me in the groove, make me go on crazy. Cause I drink 2 drops and as me tell you in a raga or something.
Yeah.
I mad put down, me a put down. So anyway, and daddy and me a tease him and me a use my foot a put on it. You know the front part there is you know them look away they come lie down on my back and me I use my toe and I play upon him front there and he stand up on him and say, I say listen, just do what you have to do. Come like you want me tell you what you do. Hold me in the neck. Play with my breast. Meanwhile me I play with yours and I start. You know, caress him and something. I look like you don't know, like, you know, some man, let me tell you this, Araga, look like say sometimes Some man they just jump in a sex, so they don't know nothing about sex. Like I first them I get one woman and him I say to me for burning. I gotta be truthful. At first me ever hear one woman a talk to me and them best and I tell more for them. I say, listen, you see after today when you come here, when you come through my door, greet me and slap up my ass and play with my breast and then there's something like then there's something there. Make me feel like you see me.
Yeah.
Then whatever we did there and we go there and I say, oh, you like it. Then I say, oh, you like it, I like it. I say, no. I say, what position you want? Then I say, me turn pan the back as now, you know, you go come quick, you know, because my sister, your anxiety, you go lead you astray. He must say, no. So, so Ragas, me turn pan the back as, and the boy push it. Jesus Christ, so I got the whole of my road turn upside down. Less than 1 minute, the boy bust off, you know. Bust off, Raga, bust off, bust off.
So you did surprise?
In a somewhat because I think he would have got about 3 minutes. I never give him one.
Well, based on what you describe about him and whatever, I know, you shouldn't be surprised, you know, because
In somewhat, I think the boy would have, you know, evil. You know, try to prove me wrong, like. But when me understand with him now, he come like say, him kind of shock and him kind of scared because, as I tell you before, the way me and my friend been talking, because you switch party, me have one friend and me go link. So no one them go out there talk about we look out story them and something. So anxiety take him over when he come over and get surprised and some kind of never know say something stay.
No, but even bigger than that, you have some men, you know, worse if him not have experience or if him's a virgin or if him never do it, if him do it 1 or 2 times and the 1 or 2 times is with some young girl who's equally inexperienced. But outside of that, even men who are do it for a long time or whatever, a lot of them can manage a confident woman like you know, who take charge in a kind of passive-aggressive way like you did. But if a man can manage that, you know, if them a do it, them good. If a woman a tell them and whatever this and that, them just get flustered, them get lost, them get disoriented, and them can't do it. So much so that a lot of women want to do that and don't do it because them know the man them can't manage it.
Right, that's why sometimes I just keep quiet because sometimes I can be dominant. I can can take over this with swagger. Like
Yeah.
don't worry, like me can tell you what to do, me can tell you how to make me come, me can tell you what to do to turn me on, me can tell you everything, me can shut down for you and you feel like say you're not doing nothing but yes you're doing, but me can show you say I can be in control at all times. You get me?
Some man love that. Some man cannot manage that.
He loved it because he never have one woman like that. So even the other day when me tell him say, listen, you have to go because I can't bother with the drama relationship because listen, when me call up on you, you're supposed to register in my book. You're not supposed to mark absent. Yeah, like
Oh, God. So hold on. When did they do it after that? Yeah.
I forgot second round, but
Yeah.
it was the same thing. As I said before, him not get immune to it, so him body still not used to it for a woman attack him down, like him get shiver, like me don't even know how to describe it, like him get timid, like
Yeah.
him like the something even can stand up one at a time, like him get coward.
I don't think him can manage your confidence, you know. And the thing is, your confidence, it wasn't, because you have some woman can be too much though, you know. Right?
Yeah.
You have some woman just too, you know, like men who love feminine women, but not mind if a woman, you know, take control and say what she want and them something that you have some woman who move in a way where some man feel no, you're going like you're a man. I mean, in a feel comfortable. But what you describe, you weren't like that.
No, I was
No,
like,
you weren't like that, you know.
he was like that because he's 30. Something I say, yeah, him experience and you know him know the do. Like that's why whenever like me and him lie down, like me is a type of person. Whenever we done, me is a type of person we sit down and we talk about it and who dominate and who lose and whatever who come before who feel something. That is me. Like it's just like enjoying relationship. Me not like boring relationship. Like that's me. Like if we do something we must can talk about it, cause why shame about something you just do? So when
So hold on. You did get him for troops it too?
No, he's not that type of person.
But you did
No,
want him for troops it?
No, because him already tell me say me's not that. Me's that type of person. Me ask who you is whenever me start talk to you. Me say listen, you eat it, you lick it before you stick it. We don't know what we are talking about. Yeah.
And him said no, no him not no.
Me say, are you a dog? And he must say, what you mean by brownie? Me say, you lick it before you stick it because dog lick it before you stick it.
No, I'm laughing because they do. Dogs do that. Yeah, dog them do that, you know.
I'm always ask a man, that is my code. Like anybody will talk to me, I always say, you lick it before you stick it. Then when you come with me, I say, that is my code of knowing who the person I'm talking with. Like, I'm not going to force if you do not because me is not this type of person. I'm not that freaky as whatever, no. But if it come to my way, like you do it, I accept it, but me not force nothing past.
Yeah, it's not a priority. Okay, good.
Yeah, it's not really a thing that we have to do. You get what I say?
All right.
If me not do something when my man want me do, me go, they go get it for him and carry come give him. Yeah, me a good girl like that there. Because the way me confident about myself, no woman can take over my relationship, Raga. Yeah. Because listen, once you know the person who you're with, you must know where you stand for and where you go drop on. So at the end of the day, I mean hear a lot of women.
No, hold on. I'm going to go to some other people, but before we go, there's a lot of women out there who are, you know, when them hear that, they get so insecure and uncomfortable with it because it sounds so unusual. Like they even get judgmental when they hear a woman say that and some, you know, kind of get damn denouncing. But explain to women, like, you know, how is it that you can be comfortable for say, you know, so me not do so and so, but me can get a woman for, me not do so and so with my man, but me not have a problem, I'm going to get a woman for him do it with her or whatever. Explain that.
All right. Somebody say in the comment, not giving my man any woman. It's not about, me not give my man a woman, is my man. But let I just explain what I say. At the end of the day, you have a lot of women not going to do certain things that a man requires. So if you can get a woman to do that, to make the man feel comfortable, why not? It's not like she can take over your relationship. And that's why I tell people, yes, when you're there with your man, know your man. Know him. Have communication.
No, but there are a lot of women who want the man do certain thing to them and the man don't do it and they do without it. With the idea being, well, me have to do without it because me don't want nobody else come involved with them, don't want nobody else involved with them and them man and them do without it. In a way where they would say, out of respect for the relationship, me do without it because there's all these other good things about him and me happy with him and thing. What you just say to that?
Rocka, let us say this. I had my baby daddy, right?
Yeah.
And we break up now. But he always asks me to do that with him, right? I wasn't that type of person. So we sit and talk about it. And let me tell you, as I said before, Raga, yes, once you have a man and you know your man, you know what you're going to do from what you're not going to do. You get what I'm saying? Because communication is the key. You sit and you talk, you're not going to just get up and do whatever you feel like. You communicate and you sit and talk.
Right.
So, him did want it and me want him enjoy himself. So I go out there and I sit and watch them. Like, me literally sit and watch the woman I do whatever I'm do. So me be a father.
You sit down and watch a woman and give baby father headers. Hold on. I'm watch her give my headers, though.
Yes, and the way how he look at me, not looking at that person, the way he look for me, so I know say I'm not interested in her. The love way after me and how me that look for me and gird me and drape me up and do the things them and kiss me down and caress me and him not do that, like he's just there for it and that. And after him don't get that, and me take control, me do what me have to do now.
So after him don't get that, them never sort out after.
Me sort him out right there and right there.
Right, you sort him out, so she never get him never go in a your living room.
No,
okay.
My living room, of course. That's what I'm saying to you, Raga.
So she did watch?
Yes, I told her she wanted to watch. She can watch.
Yeah.
That's why me perform. Why he's here?
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
take control and do what I have to do. That's why I'm telling you that when you know your man and when you know what your man is capable of doing,
Well, and that
you
is it
don't
right
need to
there.
worry
Yeah.
about, you don't need to worry about the next woman. Let me tell you this, Raga. If a man a cheater, there's nothing that you can do to stop him.
That's true. That's true.
So you feel like, all right, for instance, then Raga, me not do it to him, right? And he's pesting me about it. Your mind a go wave and say, I wonder if the boy can go get it somewhere else. So better you give it and know, say, yes, me give it and he all right. And you're there, and give him what you're supposed to give him. Simple. Once a cheater, always a cheater, Raja. Once a man respect you, now go do certain things without communicating with you. And that's some people that understand. All of my relationship, me and my ex them good, like me can call him now and then pick up like we never left. It wasn't that serious. Cause me's a bad girl in a Raga. As in, me mind chip at any time, cause me and you
Yeah.
good this month. And if I move too funny, and me I say wagwan. I'm bad
Yeah.
up 2 times. I make you know say, listen, afraid of you in a boy. What you
Yeah.
do? Yes,
Yeah.
at the end of the day, it is what it comes down to communication, and you have to have a sense of human Raga, and you think like a man sometimes. Some of we women will not think like a man. So we get caught up. Listen, at 21st century, we live in a Raga, and the boys, them are gonna do what the boys them got to do because Raga as big as you is, me know you like it too. Me know you like it to touch up now and then.
As
Yeah,
big as me is what?
as big as you is, you like to get that nice thing, that touch, wet up and something. Listen,
Well,
ladies.
me at about.
Yes, Raga, ladies, listen.
No, me
I
a
am gonna
angel. Me
go
a
because
angel.
tomorrow I'm gonna come and tell a spicier story. But listen, ladies, let
Yeah.
me tell you this. Do what you gotta do. Stop watching man them. Stop going like you don't want to put track up on the man them because the boy them still a go cheat. Them find ways and meaning. Once a cheater, always a teacher. So if you feel like say you go run back at the boy and think so you can't stop him, he's not gonna stop. Just do enough to do and stop watch the next man a road. Penetrate in a relationship and try to be the best woman or the better version of the woman that you are today and be a better one tomorrow.
Wow.
Worry about you and changing yourself to make him feel happy because we're not perfect, Raga. And a lot of women think they are perfect and they are too miss good to be sure. And when woman come and say, oh, me see a man one day, so oh, not my man, I'm not swearing for no man. At the end of the day, ladies, don't watch a woman outside. Just do what you gotta do. And if you can't stand and withhold whatever the man a do, stay. Don't let nobody tell yourself to leave in a relationship because enough of them miserable and uncomfortable like them all. Yes. Them a lot of women, Raga, and I can say this from experience. A lot of women when they get up and say, oh, left the boy because the boy not good for you. Raga, 1 week after, she and the boy that you see when she did say not good for you. So follow on her heart. Man change because they want to change. Stop change the boy them. Work on yourself because a lot of we woman, Raga, we have a lot of things that we need to change because some of we were very controlling. I will go like say we are boss, and we are going like say we are wear the pants. As you said before, Raga, be you and be true to you. Change who you is to please somebody else. And
Yeah.
just do what I have to do, just do the right thing. And everything will go smooth. This is
Proper.
Raga. Not
All
gonna
right.
say I'm the best, but I am one of the good women them. You get what I say? Because I know
And you
every
know what
day
you know. You
I
know what
love
you know.
you. Yeah. So big up yourself, Raga. Big up all of the person that give me. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the follow, guys. Raga, you're doing a great job. Me always been watching you. We always listen to my father radio. And something. So I laughed.
Yeah.
Yes, my father always listen to you. And Tambourine. He's 65 now. So he's Raga been a do it. So big up yourself and keep on doing the great job that you're doing. We're here
Blessings, man.
supporting you and blessing and have a wonderful day.
Thank you
And I'm
so
here.
much. And thanks for all of shall we say, the perspective that you shared today. At least it's food for thought for many because, for some people may consider controversial and some agree and some disagree, but it's something for them to think about, and we love
It
them
is
look
what
of
it is,
reasoning.
Raga.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man.
At the end of the day, a lot, the whole of them now go like me. As what we
Yeah.
say, whole of them now go eat with the whole of them
Well,
now
it's
go
not even
agree
about
with.
like, it's more about
Yeah, you
whether
have
them
to
agree
disagree.
or
You have
disagree.
to
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
sometime in the conversation in a Raga, you're at a point where you disagree, but at the end of the day, when we come down to the end of the story, we agree. So
All
Big
right.
up everybody.
All right,
Everybody, I
man.
love, I
Bless up
love, I
yourself,
love.
man. Yeah, man. Cool, cool, cool.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Bye.
Well, some interesting meds there and thing and whatever. You see it, and she have her perspective. I mean, but again, you know, underpinning, you don't have to agree with it, but underpinning her narrative is this whole notion that if you know your partner, you know your partner. And then whatever activity you engage in, you must know what you can deal with and what your partner can deal with and things like that, you know? And if you are familiar with the people who are swingers, and there are a lot of people out there who are swingers, you're familiar with that term from the 60s, long time so. And these are people who are in committed relationship, but them have a mutually agreed, you know, mutual agreement where either party can get involved with somebody else under certain circumstances and certain rules. And again, it's another version of an open relationship. These are not uncommon, and they are fast. They've been, you know, increasing. They have different configurations. You have some people, them have open relationship, and you can't talk about it. You have some people, them have open relationship, but you can't talk about it to a certain point. Oh, I'm going on a date tonight. But you're not supposed to say anything more. You have people have open relationship with them talking details what them do with the other person, but them now want to meet the other person or involved with the other person. You have people in open relationship where them meet the person. We all one person go get the other person fitted for one day and one day go this and that and thing. You have open relationship where a threesome or whatever. I know this runs anathema to in the traditional thing that we were raised in Jamaica with, which is grounded in a Christian doctrine about, you know, just two people and all these things and the relationship, you know, marriage and God and the sanctity of the marriage and the union and all that. And times are changing, you know, people are doing things differently out there, you know. And this is one of those shows that explore some of those dynamics, I think. So again, feel free to disagree, all right? Or feel free to agree, or feel free to agree with a part and disagree with another part and whatever. But the idea is that at least there's dialogue. I'm just a reminder, you know, my birthday party Saturday, September 20th in Queens, New York at Amazura. I don't want to come a party. I'm asking for your support to come a party. I don't know, I'm going to bother people for gifts over here. Which queen Nash said, you know, play gifts because TikTok have this rating system that them pay attention to gifts and all them something. But who want gifts give, you know? But the point is, I'm not bother enough for some other thing. I'm bother enough for follow me. I'm bother enough for subscribe. And I want to come a party. Right? I want to come a party and go have a good time. All right? It's a TamFam thing, right? Ragashanti something and thing. And again, it's Saturday, September 20th at the Amazura in Queens, New York. And again, I'm appealing to all TamFamers, the whole I know, for come at the party, bring on a gingeration, come with no man, come with no woman, come with no crew, come with no bona man, come with no bona woman, come with no man, and no bona woman, and no bona man, come with no woman, and no bona man, whatever we want, come and whatever, and do that something there. You go there with a man or your woman and then you say I go bathroom and then you say I go bathroom, you go take a dance for your bona man or your bona woman and thing and whatever. And if you're a bona man or a bona woman, know your role, stay in your lane. If you're a good bona man or a good bona woman, you don't try to mash up the thing over there. Okay? I'm just saying, and I'm being silly. Want to know the road code? Ragashanti birthday party. Saturday, September 20th at the Amazura in Queens, New York. And I want the whole on the forward. I will come enjoy yourself. All right? All right, what upon family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one, family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one, I'm enjoying this. I've been doing this for decades. I'm a veteran in this and whatever from Jamaica days come all the way up and thing. Yeah, how long me I do read from started at the University of Connecticut somewhere around 1997 thereabout somewhere. And then after I got my doctorate, I went back to Jamaica in 2001. And then I started on radio in Jamaica in 2002. We're doing this for a while. And it's a joy to be doing it so long. And I enjoy it all now. And just know so una enjoy it too, you know. Big up on yourself. Once enough respect to the ANC, big up the ANC, big up the SDC, big up all TamFamers, big up on yourself and thing. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one in there, on have right and now. A Ragashanti live on TikTok. Mad something, muddy. Should I play on two music? Hello?
Oh, that one raga.
One Raga, where you say?
Why they are going for names, you know.
Seeing?
I have a piece of joke, yeah.
Say
I
now.
look for me different, you know. So, me a boy, I do all kind of work, you know, raga.
Yeah,
Security, chef, every single thing.
yeah.
But back the night days, he's a boy, I love woman, you know, but, you know, they know what I want. Till me meet a
Yeah,
big woman.
yeah.
Anyway, me that work at one hotel and travel back and forth. So the lady say, watch out, man, stop it traveling, because you overwork yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Bring up one little, from my block,
Mm-hmm.
I got me the young, you know, man. So, you know, say, a little rainfall, body under fever.
Mm-hmm.
So one day, me there in a house, I can go out with myself. And me near lucky door, boy, me I go and help myself, you know.
What you mean?
And
What you
lady,
mean? What you mean?
the honey, panny, money.
Oh yeah, yeah, Annie Palmer. So yeah, you were masturbating, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, back
man.
your fist. Yeah, back your fist. All right.
Yeah, man. Them time they were a young boy.
Yeah. How old were you? How old were you?
Them but I'm about 17, 18, man.
Yeah, and about how old she was?
So, big woman, man. She about 35, 36.
Them time there. And as
She
she
was a
give
friend
and
of
as she
that
put you,
time.
as she rent somewhere put you, right?
No, man, I'm in a fair place.
In a fair place there. So you're in a fair place by yourself and you help yourself and back your fist then. And you never lock
So,
your
mama,
door. Yeah.
no, sir. So, mama come home early. Me never know. I enjoy myself, Raga, and the lady come in and I watch me. Me never know. And the lady I watch me.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, Jesus wept. I help myself and the lady start mourn. The lady I play with herself. Now I say, what is that? Me feel shame. Me start hide. Anyway, after me start hide now, the lady look for me at the hotel and me hide from her. When me say hide from her, me mean say me hide.
Wait, no. You did in a fair place, right? You move too fast. You lost for yourself.
Well,
So she come home and see you are back your fist and then it turn around and she did a help. Hold on. No, don't start afresh. So she come home, see you are back your fist, and then she get turned on and did a help herself, right? Okay. Then what happened after that when you realize that she see you? What you do?
jump up,
Right?
and start nervous. Not even in the house, she don't see me in the house. Me always a hide no matter what. So she don't see me, but me see her. Every time she could pull for her door, me gone. It's either me gone to work or something.
Okay.
So one day now, I come home from work, and me hear love song I play. So me I say, what? Mama go expect somebody I know. And me look, the lady call me and say, come here. I say, no man, go and do your thing, man. When you don't do what you do, you come. We come back to you, man, bad me up, you know, because I did big man. You man jape me up, fling me down, master, and galang with himself and help himself. Raga me a bars
Well on, no. Just use code and tell her what she do to you.
Why? She grabbed me by my shirt collar,
Yeah?
jam me to himself, push me down. I said, listen to me. Right now, me no know what you do to me, but listen, me want you. I said, miss, please, no, me a virgin, please. Me never, remember, you know, my first time I deal a big man, you know. Me, you know, we young boy go and like say we are gallus back then, but me never know about gallus, but me did go and then we there. And me I tell you, say, the man go on top of me, Raga, start kiss me up and help herself. And me I tell her, say, please stop, me I beg you, no, miss, no. She said, shut up. Me no want hear no talking, Raga. Me a ball. The woman, nah, let me go, you know. Anyway, the lady help herself and me broke. And the lady no get up off of me, you know. And she said, listen to me. No want you take control. Me as of today, I'm a man. Raga. I tell you, say, from that night, go straight back. And me and the lady. Anyway, and you know, on Saturday, me can't forget it. Every time I remember this, me laugh. After we just done now in a Raga, go out yourself, mash up the place. She go and bed. Me done bed first and come sit down. You don't know, said the lady, one man pull the door and come in. It was a soldier man the day. Raga, the man come in and say, who you? Me don't know. What if you say, Raga, me start gay now? I say, yo, bossy, no man, I'm a Desiree best friend and me start gay. And the man say, the lady here, like she run out of the bathroom breathless. No, what if you say, I'm a talk and the man say, yo, how him in my house? And me start fretting Raga. And me I tell you, say, lady, I say, I'm a husband. Raga, me tell you, say, me nearly stressed out. The man say, yo, make
So
sure.
hold on. So when you act gay and you talk to him, like, how you talk to him, or what was the gay talk? How you talk to him for sound gay?
No, like, feel like say, no, I want to you know, I mean, man, like, I say, I mean, an Nigel. And I say, I don't know you, yo, what you doing in my house?
No, but oh, you sound like, yeah, you just give an example, like, oh, you say,
that's straight girl voice, man.
Oh, it sound, but make we hear how it sound, because we need to hear the story. So when you have to talk to him, like, oh, you talk the gay talk, what you say, like, what? What?
I want to you know, say, me and Nigel.
You know, come on for the buff. Come on for the, you think you're easy. No, man, let me go to some other call. Let me go to some other call because your story move from one chapter to a totally different chapter now and thing like that. And the objective here is for you to just talk or whatever. Because, hold on, you start talking about the lady, you know.
Yeah.
And then you go in your masturbation, then it go in one different thing with one next time when time the woman hold you down. And then we go in one different thing now with one the soldier man will come in and then you say, I mean him Nigeria. Well, let me take some other call. Here, do. Because we have 10 million people here. Here, we have 10 million people. All right, then, cool. Yo, I want to go out for the show tonight. And I want to say, I mean him Nigel, hello. John, hey, you want to say, yo, I want any excuse for laugh. Me will laugh every day. I want any excuse for laugh. All right, here we go. Let me take some of that. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up on the app. Here, family secret mix-up or any other mix-up on the app. Family secret mix-up or any... Well, I wait for that person to come in. But he not come in. And follow me if you don't follow me. Here. Follow me if you don't follow me. Listen to me. Me know why me end the call a while ago. Me I run the show. All right, cool. Follow me if you don't follow me. Hello?
Hello. Good night.
Good night.
You know all long me, I tell you, I request you to put me up figure this.
All right. Hold on. What your name? What your name on TikTok? What's your name?
Honey Wall, sir.
Honey Wall.
Yes.
All right, Honey Wall, talk to me because you say a long time you want to give me this. Send on Honey Wall. Yeah.
I come from country, you know.
Yeah.
Man a town.
Yeah.
And the boy tell me say the car a fame.
The what?
The car a fame. I not say nothing, boy, it's a fame car.
Which car? Which car?
One car where I drive.
Okay.
Carry me out all the time.
Yeah.
Me and my park for about 2 months. So I say, all right, this boy I take care of me all the time. I go carry him go over Port Royal or I go eat fish.
Yeah.
When we coming back and me drink, me feel sexy.
Yeah.
So I go so boom and pull out the rifle, cause it's nice.
When him a drive?
Yes, I'm drop that in a throat. Oh,
Right, you drop it in your throat. Okay, remember, yeah, keep it code, keep it code. Go on, code it up,
yes.
same. Yeah, remember TikTok.
No,
Okay.
I'm not brawling it, man.
Yeah.
When we out at the big stone, them this airport.
No, on airport road, so you pass the roundabout and I come up. Yeah.
No, man. We are come from Port Royal, man, so we are come out back to the big stone, them.
Right. No, so you pass the roundabout where you turn for go down to airport, but in man, but you come straight. Yeah.
Yes. So when me I deal with me thing, professional style, and me only hear bop in one of the stone, them my head up and they steering, and me only hear BBC. My friend a go kill me. Mr. Why? I'm my friend car.
No, we're not go hard today. We're not lie. We're not go hard today. So what you say? You take out the rifle and drop it at the back of your throat and that when the dog a drive, no? Yeah. And the way
This boy take care of me.
Boy, I take care of you and thing, but you say, basically, you say your head game up, don't, because your head game a tap something. You know what you do, don't? Crazy. Your head game a sample something, and then when you put it on the dog now, the dog lose control and go lick up in one of them big rock there on airport road, Norman Manley International Airport.
Me have to end up at hospital too, because me get a little concussion, you know.
Yeah, because your head lick up when it crash, no?
When me come to reality now, me hear boy send text to my phone. Me have to go help him fix the people in car. So me say, Papa, you know what he tell me, say your car.
I want him say.
Yeah, I told me didn't like you. And me never have no car to carry you out. So me I say, oh, so me's a Charlene. Charlene have pretty car eyes.
Charlene have pretty car eyes.
Yeah.
Jano. God. So you did help him fix the car?
Help him fix his car. You should have stopped from me start. You should have pull over and stop from the start.
Yeah, and then at the same time too, you have your problems because you did not give head and end up lick your head. So you lick your head and give head.
Oh boy. I can tell you.
Yeah, no, you know, I'm not for hold it like a G and figure out how to fix that because I mean, but you're right, him should have said, no, go easy, you know, because the car not too steady and whatever. You know what I say? Yeah, him should have.
You know, say you're not used to the head badness. You should have park up and enjoy your head.
And that's the right road out there to stop to, you know, because out there's enough people do there's something upon the road there, you know. Except that the Harborview police, them ever takes it from people out there when them go out there, you know. And thing. Me hear about that.
It was the first.
All right. Jano. Well, Honeywell, big up yourself, you know. Okay. So, right, before you go do it, before you go do it, Honey, did this of it true?
Oh boy, I mean, if you tell you about it, I saw them tell me. I name me get from my husband. Not my husband, you know. I name what me get from my husband.
Well, did you just say a name you get from a husband?
From a husband, so I'm not married.
Yeah, from a husband. Yo, Jamaicans, one of the best. Remember, I'm tell you, say you get the name Honeywell from a husband, not your husband, a husband, right? Yeah.
And I got another name, Sweetness, from my husband too.
From your husband. From a different
I
husband.
said, I'm not married, Raga.
Right. Okay. All right then. Cool. Right. So it looked like honey there for true and thing. All right then. All right. Big up yourself. All right. Bless up here.
All right.
Yeah, man.
You see,
Cool.
anytime you see on the whole, I come for request, take the request, come and have more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have a great night now.
All right then. Blessings, man. You take care of your boo-boo.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, man. Cool. All right, people. That was honey hole, you know. Yeah. That is funny now when you're driving and while you're driving and you're engaging in certain pleasurable physical interaction, that can be fun. But you have to know if you hold it, you know. And that's something where you have to, there have been many accidents and people drop out with that, you know. I know in Fort Lauderdale, you did have a situation where people drop out and another woman, they drop out too, you know. And the man crash and the woman drop out and things. So we have to be careful, you know. But that's a going a long time, you know. You know, driving it as this. Remember I say? That's a going a long time. L, big up yourself. What? All right. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one have, and this me I tell you no, in we may very well go to sub only live and thing. Probably like for 15 minutes. On Fridays we do a full show with sub only live, and then we are gonna start playing. Just I make you know. In the Friday shows we're gonna start do the outer order rerun, some you know, excerpts from a past outer order show. We have years and years of outer order shows and thing. And I just want to warn people, subs especially, that one of the reasons why I'm playing it in a sub only is because what happened in a sub live stay in a sub live, all right? And that the outer order excerpt, outer order was heavy. I mean, it's not heavy for me, it's not heavy for some people, but I know it's going to be heavy for some of you. And when I say heavy, I mean people speak freely. No, they don't hold back. They just speak freely on matters relating to the pleasures of the human experience, okay? So, you know, for example, like Friday show I come up and thing, just so you know, that just be forewarned, you know, in case you're on the prudish side or in case you're on the innocent side, in case you're on the side where you just never heard anything like raw outer order. People speak freely in outer order. So what will be played in those sub lives will be quite saucy, okay? So prepare yourself for that. All right, but for now, hello.
Raga.
Wagwan.
Raga,
I'm there, you know what I say.
You say Raga have a mix-up figure?
Yeah.
One man who used to chat to piss bed.
The man piss bed?
Yes, Raga. But me did
Hold on.
hold
on. I think the child is near to the phone here. I don't know what you could do to help us so that the child... Huh? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, I think the baby is near to the phone.
Raga.
So, yeah, so just if you could just move over. So, yeah, so you did a talk to a man with pee bed, right? Talk no?
Yes.
No, focus
but
when
you
focus.
At the time.
So you did
But
a pee bed too?
Yes.
All right.
Miss.
All right. Turn down the volume on your phone a little bit, yeah? Yeah, turn down the volume on your phone a little. All right, so go on now.
All right. Me did a people bed at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, a good man in the take good care of me.
So me go sleep with him one night, but he have 2 beds in the house. And know, things go down and we drop asleep. Oh God. You know, we drop asleep. But me piss the bed. And me push him over in night. And me go up on the other bed, me change for my clothes. And me go up on the other bed. And in the morning, when he wake up, me say, all the while me here see your piss bed. Your piss bed fit you. Say man, they say, tapping eyes, man, you make me neighbor them ears on my piss bed. Fit you. So me say, all right, come on, you go have to show the mattress shut the door. So I say, no, you go have to throw around at the back. Kind of want nobody know saying piss bed. Because they were thinking tap piss bed. You understand?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's it.
Yes. All right, Raga, later.
Yeah, later.
That's it, Raga. Yes. Ah.
Into my heart. Into my arms. Come into my heart, Lord Jesus. Come in today. Come in, I pray. Come into my heart. All right, moving right along. Here we go. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one have. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one have. All right. Yep.
What is the Japanese
Hello?
word? Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, hi Raga.
Wagwan.
But there I know.
Yeah.
Go on, I will get a little mix up. You know, say bun sweet and bun hot.
Bun sweet and bun.
Yes, every time.
Yeah.
So,
Tell me.
Ragashanti. All the time, you know, live a me pen. Me tell you to live a bag work.
Yeah.
Me live with a little man and a little man go work at night time.
Yeah.
Anyway, boy, woman bad, you know. Anyway.
Yeah.
Invite him man for come my yard most night.
Yeah.
So, me have a little friend where him daddy put him out. So the trick is this now. Tell her, I say, you can come stay with me, man, but on one accord. Anytime that's my man come here.
You have to talk faster, here.
And, you know, anytime my man come here, you know I go. When time my man come in, you know say you to come lie down in my bed with you. So you know say I saw you go. Say no problem, man. Me not no problem, man. Not trouble him. Man don't want him, but it no matter to me. I mean,
Hold on. So you have a girlfriend where her father threw her out, right?
Yes, man.
So you tell the girlfriend to come, right? So you tell the girlfriend to come stay with you, and then when your bonner man come, you and your bonner man start up. But if your man for come back in quick, your bonner man have to go over, go stay with your girlfriend and act like a him and she. All right.
No, you attack. You know what me I say.
You see,
one even after when you know, man gone a walk, man say him man gone a walk, and go walk night time. Gone a walk in a Raga. Time me look out the road, me see man in a so me see man him like a bag walking, come check me a Clarendon, me live in a.
Yeah.
Anyway, when
this are the bonner man come check, you know, right?
Yes, man. Remember say them time you know, and no mobile phone more than the ordinary. Now 1 and 2 people, I want like a mobile phone.
Yeah.
Anyway, look out the road and me see him. And I said, blood cleat, I hope him just stay put. So, no wrong. Him know the code. Anyway, my man gone a walking on my youth and me in the bathroom a bed, but a pure bad dog live which part me live, you know. Me mean bad dog, pure bad dog, you know. So me look at me peep, him a watch him man gone a walk, so him a go come in. So me peep and said to him, peep through the bathroom window, and I bed, you know. And Mr. Tim said, come, me dog, them a eat, come. And then him come in. So when him come in at the bathroom, so him sit down on the bathroom, on the toilet, and me did a beard and a carry on, you know, cause me a beard and nice up myself, cause man I go and come deal with that thing.
Yeah.
When me did the raga, me no hear the grill open, no me man return.
Whap it back on you.
Blood clean. Remember, a man can't go to the door, you know, a paper dog, you know. And me make it in a bathroom, bath full of water, You know what me have to do with the man?
What?
Me have to tell the man, say, take off your shoes and come in a bath and turn up back at me. The man come and the man come straight in a man come in a bathroom, come pick up something in a bathroom. So hear me now, Tim. Me say, oh yeah, I don't love come in a bathroom when time man a bed, so I want no problem. No like come in a bathroom me. You know, me just come back and pick up something, man. You know, hear me to him now, no. Boy, me tell a woman bad. Me say, you could have stay with me, you know. The time in that man, the back of me turn up with the bragger. I shake like leaf with him boot in her hand.
Well, a real thing you talk, eh?
Look here, man, live in New York right now. We never left.
So what did happen after your man coming in the bathroom and pick up something and go? What happened after that?
Me have to just talk to him and I go on like say everything normal.
Yeah. Because I see him, so you'd talk to him ordinarily, yeah.
Me have to try to do that. Me I tell a raga, just when he gone, nah, I define man. You pop down the place. Me say, come man, you have to get some courage. You can't, man, nah turn back. Man, nah come back. Oh.
Shellings after that, no.
Hello. That the man that me I tell you, man. We me did lockdown with that the man nearly live on me yard. Rag up to breakfast, me give him round table with me man. That's how bad me get. And a one little bunny man give me, you know. One little bunny man give me. And me tear him up big time.
Hold on. It did reach a point where him all did eat breakfast with the man and don't even know it. Cause him thinks him there with your friend, though.
No, you are talk. How do all them clothes wash on me yard? That's how bad me get, brother. Nah, I define you. One bunny man give you, know.
What? So your man did give you one little bun, though?
Me nah define me. I tell him, me shell him out big time.
Well, so your man did give one little small bun. So all the bun where you give me, I say, you bakery.
Yes.
So you give him bun, you give him hardware bread, you give him cookie, you give him blueberry muffin, he might get the whole bakery. Jackass can.
Just when him there one Saturday daytime, it's like me just forget about him because this is boy I start. In them days there, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
Just when a man make love to you, that a passionate man start it up, pum, suck off toe, carry on, galang.
No, hold on. Not the suck off toe. Him suck off your toe them?
How do you?
The whole of them, you 10 two of them are just a big toe. You 10 two of them are just a big toe. Eh?
Big toe.
The big toe and suck. So you get big toe sucking, but you never suck the other two of them, though.
Me say, if boy galang with some things, the boy ever nice me up. Nah, I did.
No, so him start, so I really the start out your love do, don't? Cause him do it good, no?
Start out and him ever give me things. Him ever let off things. Although me never, I know something, me in a girl who did want and nothing.
Yeah.
I mean to say, him ever, you see when it comes at the daytime, when a man decides, say him their yard, not even want to see blood cleat, man. Me gone at Elsha with him.
Jesus.
Drive my car, guy, Elsha. And when me don't feel like drive my car, me have a friend who have a car, me just loan my car so that everybody think me that Clarendon. Me gone at Elsha and my girlfriend car. That's how woman is. Me I tell you. Just when you find a man where, you know.
So well on, what you didn't love about him was, like you said, him gay thing, but what the appeal for it, what was it where you loved about him? Or him stay or the sort out?
No, the respect and everything, straight up. My man did respect me still, but me I tell her that you the respect and me mean the fun. You have some man will just give you different fun.
So that me I said that, so was it in personality fun or it was just about the sort out fun mainly?
No, personal, both. Was
Okay.
You may say up to now we still a friend, and you up to last night him send a picture come say to me say, yo, we not see one another for years, but we never lose contact.
Oh, so him have a vibe then. Him vibes and him have a thing about him, man, and thing. Him cool certain way, don't. So what? So your man, the man where you live with, him never stay so.
First time I clap it on him, it was first time I give him a back as me not the fire before 2 minutes the boy come cup. I say what this? You're mad. Say settle down, man, and keep it easy. You're mad. Where you going with?
Yeah, so I'm not really.
I have to calm him down.
Yeah.
I may bring him in at the thing, but you know, man, I not hide this from him. I don't know what happened. He make a friend go set him up and sitting. Nah, hide him, man. Me clap it. Raga, me nah hide it from him, man.
So you make a friend go set him up and go do a small burning, and then after that you say, when I done with you, the amount of bun we are going to reach you don't even know where I go. And I saw you reload pan him down.
Oh, there. Chat about.
John, no. Anyway, big up yourself, you know. So, well on. If you book him right, I know him could have get it.
Why? Right now, I'll be honest with you. I'm not saying they ain't there, but listen to me. I'm a woman, right? I know the way things around. Any man may deal with it on my side. I got to take a time, kind of have to do a AIDS test. I have to do the whole thing.
I mean, outside of that. Yeah.
Outside of that,
outside of that, you'd run it on him.
I want me there in Raga. I London, me there in Raga on the graveyard.
Oh, Zin. So at 9 o'clock, you know, so about 2 o'clock in the morning, they know, though.
Yeah.
All right, now say a word, man. Big up yourself, you know.
Take it easy.
Yeah, man. Love and blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, giggle. It's life. No, you have some people. Yeah, sometimes some of the young people them not really understand, but sometimes what make like start out with somebody turn up, you know, is how them stay and how you and them vibe, you know, the connection there, you know. So I know the start out a lead, you know. Like the start out special, extraordinary, unforgettable and whatever. But it's not the start out of the thing. It's how the person steer, one, that is important, and how you and the person vibe, right? Because the person can cool, you know, but you and them not vibe. But when you have them two things in play, when the person really cool, and even more important, when you and them have a connection. And then the connection make you enjoy them company, the connection make you joke together, the connection make you support each other, the connection make you can cheer up one another, and the connection make this heart out just have a quality where you don't have it with anybody else because it's just this unique thing between you and the person where it could be memorable, long-lasting, lifelong, unforgettable, and thing. So you have some people have them connection there with people and them we're all not there with the person right now, but them still have that connection there with the person, you know. You have some people have that connection there and wouldn't sort out the person if they meet them right now, you know. But the connection still there and them know so the connection there. And then me in a different relationship now and say, no, I'm not born the person I'm there with there now, but them know so the connection there. Any of them go there say right I know. Like clockwork, like a fire. It just blaze like them not see each other 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 10 years, and if them link back, it's like them just see each other yesterday, you know? And that type of compatibility and synergy between two people, it cannot be replicated. It's just unique between each two people. It can't. Sometimes people make the mistake and go look for that in somebody else. Don't do that. You will never find it. Remember, no two human being is the same. No two human being is the same. All of them are twin. Twins share commonalities and similarities because they're twin. But even twins have unique personalities. Them have differences. No two human being is the same. By extension, no two connection between two human beings is the same. Can't be the same. right? So if you have that something there, you just know what it is and just make sure so you manage it. Don't succumb to it in a way where we jeopardize something good where you have, because some people get fooled by it too, you know? But them type of connection they were shut up, boy, them just memorable. It's like it can't change. It just did it, you know. It's just one of them things there, you know. It just did it, you know. You have cliches that I'm referred to these things. Your soulmate, or your this and your that, you know. You know, the person you meet, you know, the universe and this one person, whatever you want to describe it. And things science no really can't really explain it. And when you have them connection there with them people, you know, if you do nothing dramatic, you know, they start out for you enjoy it, you know. It's just good. It's just, you know, based on the connection, you know. Anyway. Yeah. I heard my ex called me her ex-boyfriend name. I heard my ex called me her. So when you were with your ex, she called you her ex-boyfriend name. Yeah, that I mash up in something of them there. All right. Now stay along, you know. Okay. Yo, when we in high school, well, phone, you know, I'm an old man. So phone wasn't a thing. But me used to hear about this amongst people who have phone. Them time it was land phone. And I couldn't understand it when girls are the ones who do this. They will call them, man, like if them and them man have something, or if them have a crush on a guy and the guy, you know, no one them get the guy number, they'll call. And when the man answer, them don't say nothing, them just stay up on the phone. And them hang up and be like, I just wanted to hear his voice. Oh my God. That was weird. And then we go to college and then my sister woman do it. Ladies, we want to do that something. They like, you know, call the person and talk to the person. But I just want to hear them voice and whatever. What difference it make? You don't know the man voice sound already and things like that. Princess Anna laugh and whatever. Because I know when they do them something, they don't. When they know when they do them something, man. All right. No, alien too cute. Wait, who this? Alien man. Alien too cute.
Wagwan.
There ain't a boo-boo.
Good night to your people then.
Then I hear people them to one TamFam, don't?
My people them too, yeah. Raga me in a shop.
You know what?
Me in the shop.
You know the shop?
In a Corona, me have to sell through the grill.
Yes, man. Remember, say you have your local shop and you sell your thing, man.
And my shop and my sister shop.
Your
and
sister.
the customers, them love me.
That's right. Of course. Who not gonna love Alien too cute? Everybody love Alien too cute.
Yeah, but me lock up the front door and me there pack out some grocery.
Seen?
Yeah. And me a sell one man come at the grill if he come buy one half flask, so me a sell him.
Okay, one half flask of rum.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so me not really have no family mix up still, but me I ask you something.
Yeah.
Don't you can bright and you know intelligent.
Of course.
Okay. Well, me want big up your secretary.
Who that?
You know who your secretary? Queen Nash.
Queen Nash. Yeah, man. Well, yes. Queen Nash. Why you big up Queen?
You say, the girl bright till she intelligent. Thursday, me I listen to her. I take you through the this and the that and the Queen Nash big up herself.
Well, you know, the shot dead we laugh now, no?
You know, and Queen Nash member say everybody can't agree with everybody, you know, me love. I never agree with you. And after me I run you down or a fight you or them something, then we have to agree if we disagree. I lie, Master Raga?
Well, yeah, but you did understand fear explanation though, right?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
And she's intelligent. You want to say she's I mean, you're intelligent, she's intelligent. I mean, but two intelligent people can disagree too, you know?
Me can't walk in a cleaner shows because me don't know certain things when me hear she a tell you say.
Like what?
Them this what we do and what of we do and this and that pan the app Raga. No my sister if we do things pan the app for me.
No, Queen Ash, she know the TikTok culture and the app. She know it for true. She know it for true.
Me I tell you so, me can't walk in our shoes when people forget them props. We give them props, you know, no matter what. When you not like a boy or like a girl, and the props that if you don't get, give them it.
So so you really give her some genuine props and big her up, don't you?
Yeah, share your secretary in a real life on the app.
Okay.
Yeah.
But hold on. You didn't have a sub life?
1 year sub life.
Hold on. No, hold on. Somebody get Ilian, you not subscribe.
No,
because you don't have to.
On your head when you say me fi tap.
Right, you only tap on my head when you say me. Alright, hold on. Somebody give Ilian a sub right now to the tea, right? Somebody give Ilian a sub right now. In fact, I'm gonna ask Queen Nash to give you a sub right now. If she can, alright? You know.
Yeah.
Somebody give Ilian yeah, follow me. Well, of course, you follow me, right?
Yeah, me follow you.
Yeah.
But me not know about this sub.
No, but Queen Nash, Ilian, you know how to follow. Mixup, big up. You know how to follow somebody?
No, Raga, no.
Your sister didn't hear you? Cause
she upstairs.
No, because you have to enter them sub live, because the sub live them at man, and you have to hear them something, but you can't unite if you know. So, but you know, you have to follow Queen Nash for she give her sub, and you know really follow people. You just come on and juggle and do your thing, you know. Yeah. All right. Tell your sister say she make you follow Queen Nash.
Yes.
And if you follow Queen Nash, then Queen Nash can sub you.
All right, no problem.
Yeah, because we need you in them sub live, because the sub live them nice. I know you love them. I know you love you love them mix up on them abs also go on in there, and then the sub live them saucy with the salt out something of them, yeah, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So we need you in a sub, you know? Hold on, you know, so me I talk to you and me go start scratch me.
Yeah, go get money and member, you know. Member say me want the why name?
The rose.
The rose.
No, I'm gonna buy you rose, and you know, so them make me know say you have different rose. So I'm gonna buy you each one, and I'm gonna video it when I buy you the rose, you know. And thing, and we're gonna send the rose them to you down there, and you have to tell me what, you know, you have to tell me if it worth it, and if the hype of them I get, if you know, if anything I go on feet and all them something there.
Yeah, and when Queen Nash come at Jamaica, tell her to link me, you know.
She hear you right now, man. She hear you.
Queen Nash, when you come at Jamaica, I want you to link me a bright people. Me love power with, me not love power with dance.
You don't love dance spot. Nah, man, she will link you, you know, cause she sound mellow like that and cool like that, you know.
Yeah.
Well, I think nah, man, she sent it to you a while ago, you know. You see something come up there for you. You see it, man. It come up on the screen. She send you a sub.
Okay.
You see it? Did you see it?
Me never see it. Through me I made out the rum.
No, but hold on. It did. I don't know if it's something we have to, Queen Ash, something she have to accept, or she just get it once you send it. Let me see what them say. Right? Something she have to accept, or she just get it once you send it. Let me see. May I wait for she answer and thing. She'll get it. All right, you look like you have it. So once we go sub live, once you go once we go sub live, you automatically in there and you go hear what I go on, yeah?
Yes, Raga.
Alright, well hold on, half flask I remember buy or whatever. I'm not gonna drink the whole of that right now.
Half glass of rum, no Raga, no 3 drink make half glass.
Okay, and them drink 3 regular people just drink half 3 drink though.
Yes.
Them still a drink rum with white milk down in Jamaica?
Them drink rum and boom, rum and ting, rum and Pepsi, rum and milk. Yeah, them mix Campari and rum and them something there.
Oh, so them still do it with milk. Them still do it with white milk. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, but now them a mix it with all kind of other things now, though.
All kind of sit me love.
Okay, all right. All right, then Elena, say a word here.
Yeah, man, take care of you and your people them and my people them too.
Oh, you mean one TamFam, don't?
One TamFam, big up Raga.
All right, man, protection, man, blessings.
All right, take me off.
Yeah, man. Man, Elena, for in them sub live, them man. What you mean? What that one you say? Hey, Campari and milk make pony jump, you know. DJ Island Breeze. How you know I say? I saw you go. And you know what I mean? Not a fan of Campari. I don't know why. Probably Rudy Rogue. What's a sub live, Raga? Sub lives are subscribers, right? We have live for subscribers only. So you have people who subscribe, who support what I do here by subscribing to my TikTok page, okay? So if you look at the bottom, you'll see a star with a circle around it, right? And if you want to support what I do here, that's where you subscribe, okay? If you look at the bottom of your device, you'll see a star with a circle around it, and that's where people who support what I do here, they subscribe there. But it's you can also gift a subscription to somebody. So that, you know, some people gift others subscriptions, okay? That's what is going on here, okay. All right, see somebody there, Detta, just subscribe to the channel, okay? All right? Miss Adams, it there. Here. It there. All right, it there. Remember, that's per month. And yeah, and then TikTok take out for the lion share, I think. So, I don't know. It there. All right? Hello.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
I've been listening to you over the years. You know, the first me ever I get to like talk to you.
Look at that, and here we are.
Even when you was on radio, I try sometime, but the line was always so busy, so I can't get you. But me want to ask you one question, you know. You have a beautiful smile anyway. I ask you, because I always ask people this question, I ask man that question, I ask woman this question. They after thing that they say a woman cannot do what a man do and still be a lady.
Yeah.
All right, you know, woman treat. And all right, for instance, say a man have a lot of woman and like, all right, for instance, my man have a lot of woman, so me want even up back with him, so me go have a lot of man too. So they must say, no, you can't do what a man do and still. How does a woman change to be a man after she had done woman already? Cause you can't do what a man do and still be a lady. You ever see any woman cheat or do what a man do and then change?
What do you mean change? What do you mean? I don't know what you change into what though.
That I always want to find out. Because I always ask people the question. You cheat on me and I cheat back on you.
Yeah.
When they say you can't do what a man do and still be a lady, so me I say, you ever see one woman change? For instance, say, all right, I change into a bird, I change into a rat. How
No.
All right. So let me just tell you what is going on there. And this is as a kind of intellectual thing, but me just break it down and thing like that. There is no, in people in my background, they would say there is no empirical basis to that assertion, meaning there really is no evidentiary support for it. It was something that was created by men to control women. You follow me so far? It's an idea, it's a principle, it's a concept, that was created by men. The fancy term for it is it's from the patriarchy. It's a man control type of thing. So men created this rule and it exists and then it passed down and then the generations later on and including the one now, a lot of them just accept it. And say, I saw it go. But in truth, there is nothing like that. It's created, So, basically, a man can sleep with as many women as he want. A woman can sleep with as many men as she want. But the idea that, the man can remain a gentleman after him sleep with many women, but the woman cannot remain a lady after she sleep with several men.
That's what
right. No. Yeah, yes. Yes.
You wanna? Me believe in you give me bun, me I give you back more than what you give me Raga.
Okay.
I guess what, Raga? You can give me 100 bun with 100 woman, and me just give you one bun with one man and kill you,
Explain. Now, I agree, but explain.
Woman born hotter.
Woman born hotter, that's true. Woman born hotter.
You him give your bun with woman, give your bun with all your friend whosoever willing to give it up to him.
Yeah.
And you sit down all for years and I take it in a Raga, take it bun, And you see the one time you go give him bun a good all unalive you.
Yeah, well, that is a general thing. A lot of men give bun, but them can't take. Up to what they talk about it and make some post about it, talk about it on the show. But we all know, look how long women get bun and hold it and ball and hold it and go get support from them friend and hold it and thing. And I'll stay with man and live with man same way when bun reach them and all them thing. They have some man, them get a look at one bun and then lose them damn mind and go unalive woman and all them something.
Them can't work, them can't eat. So me ask you now, Raga, you believe say for a man give a woman bun she give him back some?
No, but they say me weird with that, in case no, cause me can't get bun.
You can't get bun?
Me can't get bun.
Because your lady is not faithful to you, so she's not
No. It have nothing to do with faithful. In other words, you say for bun happen, somebody have to violate an agreement. That's the case, right? Don't it? You follow me so far? Yeah. For a bun to happen, right? Somebody have to go do something where the other person said them shouldn't do. Right? Now so it go. Right? Okay. Me, you can't bun me because me not engage in that agreement with no woman. All when me and her there. You not go hear Raga say me own the front. The only time I might pum when me in it. As soon as me come out, it's not my pum. So me I one of them man they say, listen, all when me and you there, we can't have agreement, we can't say, I mean, I think she go do it or she can't say she not think me I go do it. But if a woman go choose to go sleep with somebody else with fear pum when me no own, that is fear business. That you not bun me.
A real man talk that, but Raga, say sometimes you give one man one little piece and he say him at the side man, say him I tell you say, hey, no give back your man no more of this a pum and he say just one little piece him I get Raga.
But you see that the other thing now. If you're a side man, if you just humble your blood clot self and stay in your lane. Yes. Stay in your lane.
Raga, some of them are tormenting,
No, yeah. But sometimes some people who do that just to make it sound nice, like them jealous to make the other person exciting. But if them really mean it, then them are not a good side man. Yeah, if you're a side man and you're getting look at Jojo, it's always on loan. You get it is a temporary thing. You don't own nothing around there. And if you're a good side man, you humble yourself and balance your thing right there. Yeah, you're not going to entertain certain disrespect and thing. But if he's a side man, stay in your lane. When I your time, I your time. If it's not your time, you bill. You don't own nothing around here. You're a side man.
Some of them want to make sure some of them every night they want it like a them are the man of the yard.
No, they can't do that.
None.
No, but that is where you have to let go a side man like that, you know.
Yes, and when you feel let them go Lord Jesus, Raga, when you feel let them go a problem, you know.
Problem and thing. No, but you see, if you have a side man who catch too much feelings, you have to figure it out first and whatever.
Especially sometimes your relationship come from far to really want say true more time, cause more time in a relationship from you all in your 20 and when you are 50 you're still there with the man, and the man now go and good in a bed, and so you have to find a little man to work, pum pum. What's if you're a woman who love sex like all me, rather? You have to find a man with a stronger sitting figure and batter it up, Raga.
If you batter up it, chun down.
Me I tell you, Raga, mash it up, but sometimes you give them money come like it. Me don't know if I sugar in it. Me I talk for myself. Me don't know if I sugar in it for me.
No, but hold on. When I say, as me hear you attacking, I know say you're sort out up, because you love it and you're good pan it and thing. Me know you're... But two things...
You know say you can't be one reader, man.
No, but two things me I go tell you though, right? Two things may I tell you. You want a side man who we all said to you, say, yo, you buy a gift for your man birthday, make sure you buy a good gift for the man, such and such cologne around now, get that one, you might like that one, man. And at a side man, at a side man there, you want a side man where I said, John, say I get permitted. Sometimes I want to run. And I say, no, man, you have to respect the man and take care of him with. So, at a side man that you want, right? You want a side.
I wonder if any one of them man that by your life, Raga.
Me no know. No, and then the other thing is, me want you listen when me I say, right, because we are going to school, a class with it, You see, when you have a side man, you have to enjoy it, when you do it, because that is why you have the side man, don't. So you have to enjoy. But say you have to have, depending on your side man personality, you have to know what kind of wine to give them, Sometimes you can't give them the best wine, because you enjoy it. Because if some of them can't manage it.
Raga, me I tell you the truth, from me wine, me just have to wine good and done.
Oh, you just have to wine, you're one of them where you just have to go hard and done, don't?
Yeah, me just have to go hard and done.
Okay. Are you full of style?
Woo! Raga?
Yeah.
Hey! For the age, me don't know how me are going, so.
Seeing. Well, your favorite position, what? On top on them something that if it's like edge it on them something, they slant it and boom it on them thing there. Eh?
Favorite position, Raga, if you turn back way, brother.
Turn back way and thing, okay.
Yeah, man, when me turn back way, brother, Raga, me jig up on it, bad,
jig
man.
Up, okay. Quick question, when you turn back way, you do that look back something that a man love, when you look back, make up on the face and look back when you
match my back and look around for him, man, where am I do, man?
Where am I do and thing, and still I wind it off and I boom it off, don't. Yeah, that look back something they are sampling, me I tell you, man love it,
You see, when the body tough, Raga, he's up and fight and just dip on the hedge and just a tick and attack.
That's something there,
Rain go right down back on the root, Raga.
And go right down.
The whole light in your belly. Jesus.
What you say when you come up on the tip and you tip and then go back down on the root. Alright, well I'm gonna use code same way because we want to get too graphic. But dilly dally now, if you are sort out no good or sort, she in the chat. Dilly dally and one next one in Kimberly. Them sort out pop down and thing and whatever. And so them don't know how to do them something there, When them a do them thing, them just position this so and them not do nothing. So give them some dilly dally and Kimberly, give them some advice there for me.
Alright, you see when you position back way upon it.
Yeah.
You can't have a man brace on a wall and just push up in front,
Yeah.
So you just dip on the hedge, and you just go and tease up the hedge, You see, like when you screw out, like you need a screw off one, take something and screw off one bolt.
Yeah.
You just take time and like you tighten it now, you know. So you
No, well, explain that part. The kind of part they not really go hard when you're up on the edge, you know. It's a kind of like a little tease and squeeze and explain that part to them because
all
Kimberly
right.
and Dilly Dally don't know. Tell them, yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell them.
You're up on the edge of it, you know.
Yeah.
So you know, say right on the edge of it, you're there, you know.
Yeah.
And you just take your time and wine, go right. Right down pan it, you know, and the whole of it just stand up in a, and you see when you go down pan it, Raga, you just rock pan the left, rock pan the right, and you just, that you take time rock, you know, you just get us one rock.
One rock.
And then you start go 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
You just a rocka.
I got so Dilly Dally and Kimberly, I hope on a listen and take a couple lesson and thing, you know, because them pop down thing they won't not juggle with right now. That now work, you know, 2026 soon forward and thing. I want to come here so with them look at ABC sort out there and thing and Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. So
you have to know how to do it. That's it. It no slip out, you know, because you know it says slippery when wet, you know.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
You have to know if you can tan pan it, that's it, no slip out, you know. Because you could have go slip the wrong time, you know.
Right.
When you are rich, you know, and when you slip when you are rich, you know, normal, you get ignorant, you know, man.
Yes,
you know,
yes.
Slip them time there, you know.
Yeah, that did happen with Kimberly. Yeah, that did happen. Yes.
I lie. Hey!
Yeah, no man, she go through them something that them go through it. It kind of rough on them because them not really know what them are doing, you know. So, you know, them whatever. Because they don't know, then you to the game and them just not have them experience and them style, you know.
Yeah, man. Hey, you know, say every day I talk, Raga, I say, you know, say, you see God, if God bless me one more time, you know, Raga, smaddy, I get no blessing, you know.
Hold on. Don't move. Come on, you talk free up with something. We are going to sub live now. All right. We're going into sub live now. We are going to subscribers live where we can just free up and talk something with them here. All right. Hold on. Don't move. We are going to sub live right here now. We're going in sub live right now. Let me see this thing, you know. All right then. Sub live.